Okay, let's have a look here. Okay, good morning, everybody. Good morning. Good morning, Vietnam. Ashmal. Jamal, how you doing, brother? How you doing? Good morning, guys. Headstock. Howdy, Green Day. Yeah, we're looking good, guys, this morning. Wow. Holy wow, it's gone up a little bit. What's that? 2.70% in the green already. Yeah, I like it. I like it. I like it. Joker. No cap. What's up? Christopher. Good morning, guys. Dominique. Ultimate Connections. Good morning. There's a couple new people. Welcome to the Wolfpack, guys. That's awesome. Wow, we're getting a push, a huge push before market opens, man. 2.83, 2.85. Yeah. Kang, good morning, mighty, almighty. Whoa, man, you guys are awesome. Wow, there's a whole black. Josh, good morning, Ken. Holy crow, the floor is flooded this morning. Everybody's all these new rules are coming in, and oh my God, we're gonna have a good day. Look at this already. Wow. Good morning, Gloria. Good morning, Ed. You guys, over some coffee to that. You guys are all anxious, my savage traders. Raw, the wolf pack, man. We're gonna rip this stuff up today, man. Hopefully, a beautiful day today. Good morning, Andy. Good morning, brother. So, nothing like chilling out, hey, with a bunch of friends, having a coffee first thing in the morning. Nothing wrong with that. Yeah, let's get. Hey, Josh. Hey, welcome to the channel, Josh. Josh, I read a bunch of your comments yesterday, man. Welcome, bro. Dang, what's up, brother? I ran into you on I shouldn't swear on. I ran into you on Lou's channel. You and who else was over there? I think not Connor. Warren. One of you guys was over there. I can't remember. Jonathan, Mr. Paydirt. How you guys doing? That was pretty cool on JP's channel, man. Hanging out there. MC, Mr. C, Lester. Good morning. Okay, let's did market open? Market's open in 30 seconds. Just let me get set up here. I'm just going to set up something here, and we're going to, like we always do about this time. Then we're going to get into some information. I got some stuff I wanted to discuss. Good morning, Joshua. There's some stuff I want to get into here. Some serious stuff, man. Warren, brother. Warren woke me up this morning with a message. It's all good, bro. It's all good. My phone went beep, 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 beep. My alarm went off like 2 minutes before. I was just laying there going, oh, man, what's going on today? Stop, man. And then what happened was Sanchez, good morning. Pawn, good. I know what he said, Pawn. I told you guys all that on the live stream on Saturday night. I told you way before he did. I've been telling you guys that for months. Months I've been telling you about that. I even told you the app to download it on. But he's talking screenshot. No. Don't screenshot it, man. Record it. Record it so there's... Oh, Warren, no, it's okay. I don't care, Warren. I don't care. Manjit, good morning. JP, what's up, brother? No, you guys got to record the stuff live when you contact your brokers or any stuff like that. It records the whole conversation. Forget about a screenshot shit. It means nothing in court, okay? Lou has good intentions, but he's not that tech savvy, man. You guys know that, right? Neither am I, but... all my stuff on Cash App is missing at the moment, JP. Fuck. pardon my language, guys. There's some weird shit going on, guys. There's people that can't buy on this. There's 4 wolves that can't buy. They tried buying Friday. Nothing. The app shut down. I told you guys these buy buttons are going to disappear. I've been telling you guys this. Wait until the squeeze happens. You will not be able to buy these shares. Okay, we're getting it pushed down in the market right now, which is fine. These apps are just dumping right now. We're going to get a dump for about a half an hour, okay? So what I've already called all this. I've made videos on all this stuff, guys. I'm not upset or anything. I'm just telling you guys, you gotta listen to my videos. Okay, I don't just get on here and just do this for this. Okay, I've been trading for a while. Okay, we've never had problems like this, but I think outside the box. I had problems, Warren, it's all good. Technically challenged. Okay, if you have an Android phone, you want to download a thing called AZ Recorder. Okay, it's free. It's free. Forget about the screenshot shit. Okay, screenshot doesn't have the voice and all the emotions attached to it. Okay, so when you call your broker, you hit this record on there. Okay, my friend. It's already disappearing on some apps there, bro. I'm not Joshua. I'm not trying to scare anybody, but it happened on GME. The sell button won't. Okay, it won't disappear because that's huge lawsuits. Okay, it won't happen, but they're gonna take the buy button off because they don't want people paper trading this when it dips down in $400 increments. Like I have videos on the Volkswagen squeeze. If you go to the beginning of my channel. Good morning, brother. Good morning, Spartan. Good morning. Yeah, I'm with TD Bank Canada. Yeah, I only buy with banks, and I'm telling you guys. If you have the choice of buying with a freaking bank, do it. But I'm just saying, if don't be transferring your shit all over the place. Do that. Oh my God, just proud. What's up? I seen you on Lou's channel yesterday. How you doing, brother? I go to the websites of brokers. Yes, proud. Okay, you guys. I'm just not trying to scare anybody. I'm not trying to cause FOMO with you guys and all this fucking shit. Relax. You got all day to work yourself out. It is AZ Recorder. Yep, that's right. Thank you, Manjet, for putting that on the screen. Thank you. And that's on Android. What's a good one for iPhone? iPhone has a built-in one, people were saying to me. That's what I was told. I don't have an iPhone, guys. I don't. But I'm pretty sure somebody will help you on the channel right now. So, wow, we're getting a push back up. Okay, I'm going to go through my stuff, and then we're going to get into this stuff because there's nothing open right now, okay? Well, on the Pacific side. I guess on the Eastern side stuff is. Kevin, how you doing? It doesn't go in effect until... Yeah, that's correct. Yep. That's true. Yeah. It goes in effect about 11 o'clock. Yep, paper hands. Kevin, you are good. We're going to see a lot of that, especially in the Volkswagen squeeze. We're going to lose half the people within probably, I'd say, the second day. The second day. It'll be about a week and a bit long. It's going to go about a week and a half. Volkswagen squeeze was exactly 1 week and a couple days because there's people that'll be waiting till this $1 million or 800,000 it's going to go to, and the squeeze will be over and they'll be still sitting there. And they just lost their whole lifetime opportunity. We already know this. We did all the numbers. If you watch that 4-hour video that we were on live, and I think there was a whack of you on there, we did all the numbers live. There's no way. There's not enough money in the world to cover it. Not even a quarter of the money in the world to cover it. We're talking every currency around the world. Sweetness! Brother! I changed my avatar because of you, bro. There you go. Manjeet is helping you guys out with the iPhone. Thank you, sister. Joe, good morning. Good morning. We got a full house this morning, guys. Thanks for hitting the likes up, guys. There's 40 of you here. Thanks, man. I really appreciate you guys. Are friggin' awesome. You guys are awesome. I love you, wolves, man. You have to remember, YouTubers live off the like buttons. Every tuber thrives off that stuff. It helps their videos. Like, I don't get paid to do this stuff. I get up every morning for you guys for free. Okay, we're getting a pushback right now. So $34.70. 65 cents. So I'm gonna go through this stuff like we always do, and then we're gonna get into some good stuff here, wolves. And then we're gonna go through some stuff that we should educate ourselves on, because this is coming near. Okay, my brothers and sisters, and we're gonna dive into some very deep educational stuff. Okay, and if you need to record this off your AZ recorder on your phone, you should probably practice today. Okay, guys. Okay. Yeah, headstock it's gonna blow soon. Okay, this thing's gonna go to the frigging moon. Okay, so thanks, Joe. Thanks, brother. So thanks, guys, for the likes. I really appreciate that. So anyways, yeah, what I'm saying is it's gonna start kicking. We're gonna start and get some little bit of gamma, and we're gonna get some FOMO that's gonna kick in. Okay, we're gonna get a push, a really good push here. Okay, I called the $70 push last time. I predicted it 3 days before. It's because of the numbers, right? And what's happening is all these laws are coming in effect. Okay, the laws aren't going to change anything, but it's changing the institutions, and they're cutting off these buy buttons. Fidelity Pro, supposedly 4 people could not buy yesterday. We don't know if it's a glitch. We're going to try this morning live. I'm going to go on to TD. I'm going to buy, I got $1,000. I'm going to dump this morning on stocks. I'm going to do it all live with you guys. Okay. And we're going to go on to TD Canada, and that's not TD the M-Trade, the one in the States. No, totally different company. I'm going to do some live buying with you guys today. I'm going to show you guys how to do it if you've never done it before. There's new people that have been asking me questions. They don't even know how to buy it, execute an order properly. We're going to do it here, okay? You have to remember my app's Canadian, so it's a little bit different, but we'll work with you, okay? So, anyways, we're back to a buck. We're just going to get this weird bullshit crap happening with the market in the next couple of days. They are scrambling. We know that. It's 100%. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go through my ticker symbols like I always do, guys, okay? Just relax, chill out, and we're not going to talk about crypto or any of the plays today until later on, okay? I really want to concentrate and get you guys set up on this. Thing, you have to go back. She just told you. Go back into the messages, bro. She just told you. MC, go to. See, you got to read the messages, my friend. She just told you. Manjeet did. MC got to control center and on your iPhone. There you go. Read that. And if not, you can always Google it, my friends. You can go on Google. We love Google. We love YouTube, right? YouTube will show you. I learned a lot of stuff off YouTube when I'm doing repairs around my house. You Google 3 videos. You get the information out of those 3. And I usually do 3, right? Just because sometimes somebody might miss something or there's improper information. But if you get 3 videos rocking, you're usually golden. Okay, guys? So, anyways, I got to do my broadcast for the people heading to work. That's what we've always done on the channel. So, you guys got me all going this morning because we're going to accomplish a lot of information, guys, today. Okay? And free information. Okay, so we're going to start with our ticker symbols because there's a lot of people. We were going to go on Spotify and broadcast, but you got to pay for it, and I'm not doing it because I don't get paid, right, as you guys know, and I try to keep my costs low because I want to buy more stock, and that's why I don't charge you guys for super chats, because I'm eligible now to charge. Okay, I got a notice in the mail or in the email yesterday or 2 days ago that I can charge for all of that stuff. Okay, we're not going to do it. Okay, so that said, that means that I keep my costs low for you guys. Okay. So by doing that, I can't expand in some ways. So that's why I need you guys to help me. Aaron, how's it going, buddy? That's why I need you to smash these like buttons up and just help these algorithms up for me. I'm not asking for subs. That's irrelevant. I don't care about that stuff. I'm talking about the wolves on the channel that are getting the free knowledge. That's all I'm asking for is a little favor. And that's why I ask you guys, right? And you're getting all this free knowledge. You can't go anywhere else to get it. You know, guys know that. Right? Not like this raw, not this raw of knowledge, okay? Nobody wants to tell you this stuff on these channels. They're very secretive. They don't want to tell you this stuff, right? because half of them don't even know, for one thing. And there's nothing against Lou, right? Like I've told you, I've talked to him in messages before and stuff. I was just out there checking the channel out, and I seen a couple of you guys on there hanging out, because I know all you guys, right? And then I drop in, of course I'm going to throw you guys a message. Hey, how you guys doing? I'm watching you, just to mess with you guys, right? I was just seeing what Lou's up to, right? He's a good guy. And I know some people don't like him, and that's okay, right? I do like the guy. And I know he should shoot another video and give a little bit more information on this broker thing. It's just that same as some of us, same as myself, I'm not a genius on a computer, but I'm very smart on a phone, okay? The record stuff, he should have mentioned that. That's why I was trying to get a hold of him yesterday. If you were to say, I'm trying to get him to message me, because I need him to, hi guy, hi Hori, hi, because I need him to just do another video for you guys, okay? And just to tell him about this AZ stuff, because I don't think he knows, right? And I think he has an iPhone anyways. Just because when you call your broker, okay, anyways, let me get back into this in a minute. Okay, sorry guys. Ticker symbol CCL, Carnival Cruise is at $22.76. Wow, it's up quite a bit. Look at this. Look at the travel. I predicted this a week ago. Guys, I told you this stuff was going to start recovering, but it's going to have a fire sale. They're getting a little push. They're going to start cranking these prices up, and then they're going to hit rock bottom, and that's when we come in and buy all this shit up after we collect our money from AMC. Okay, so ticker symbol CCL, Carnival Cruises at $22.79. It's up 3.76 in the green, guys, and it's slowly going up. It's at 8.83 now. 3.83. It's going up as we speak. Okay, ticker symbol AAL, American Airlines, is at $19.27. 4.22 in the green. Wow, that's awesome, man. So, costs is it was up 3% this morning. It's gone down, which is fine. It's still in the green. $17.98. It's at 0.28 in the green. GME, our brother sister company. So when I say that, just because they run in tandem, we all know that. $160.24, 0.59 in the green on that one. Okay, so the mother of all squeezes, AMC, $34.82. We're at 1.12 in the green. Okay, ticker symbol SU, which is Suncor Energy. This is one of your dividend yield stocks, guys, out of Canada. This is dirt cheap for you Americans to buy after the squeeze. Dirt cheap. You have to remember, it's 30% cheaper for you guys. So it's at $22.45. It is par right now. Loop Energy, which is not a dividend stock. Okay, it's a Canadian stock. It's out of British Columbia, Canada, actually out of Chilliwack, and it is $4.65. It's a hydro water fuel company. So AC ticker symbol is Air Canada, $23.75. It is par. And then we were going to get in some marijuana stocks for you guys. Ticker symbol CGC, which is 17.18. So $17.18. It is up quite a bit actually for a marijuana stock first thing on a Monday morning. It just went to 3% straight across the board. Wow, everything I read keeps on jumping up in front of me. That's good, good, good. SNDL, SNDL, SNDL Growers of Alberta, Canada, is at 0.70. It is 0.75 in the friggin' green this morning. And here we go, MVIS. All you MVIS guys that want to get out on the play, you're going to get a chance to in the next little bit. I could see this going up a little bit. Not too high, but I can see it going up. And it is going to get a baby gamma when AMC goes. All these meme stocks are going to get baby gammas, so I know a lot of people want to jump out on this. Some people are going to hold it long. That's fine. That's fine. I'm not telling you guys anything. I'm just saying that a lot of people, 80% of the people want to get out on this. I talk to them daily. Okay. It's just that they don't want to lose their money, which fuck, I wouldn't want to either. So $13.61, 3.42 in the green on that. Okay. And ticker symbol BB, BlackBerry out of Quebec, Canada, is at $12.36. We are par straight across the board. Dogecoin, Crypto, we're in some crypto coin right now. Crypto coin is at, Dogecoin is at 0.32. It's at negative 0.10%. So a fractional of a penny, or a fractional of a cent, which is fractional of a penny too. But Cardonio, crypto is at $2.85. It's at 1.53. Bitcoin is at $50,262. It is negative 0.04. It's in the red a bit. Okay, Ethereum is at $3,352. We're at 0.26 in the green. Okay, guys, I'm going to get back up to AMC. We're going to get into some questions here, and then we got some homework to do, guys. We got a lot of work to do in school here today. Okay, hi, I looked up a crypto tax, avoid everything. Can't find anything about Germany crypto. Somebody was saying that there is no, I know that this isn't true. Somebody said that there's no tax on crypto, but there has to be. The government gets you taxed. You breathe, you get taxed. Okay, couldn't find anything about Germany. Okay, you're from Germany, my friend? Yep, you are. Yeah, that's right. We already talked before. Could you really do that in Canada after the squeeze? Switch to crypto? Could you really do that after? Yeah, you can switch. What do you mean switch to crypto? You can buy crypto, my friend. After the squeeze with your money? Is that what you're talking about? Of course you can. You're going to pay tax, though. Depends on the country, right? In the States, I found out, and I told you guys, do your DD. You got to call your tax place, right? You got to call your tax place today. You got lots of work to do. I only can do so much for you guys, right? I love you. All I do is give you the key. I give you the key. You got to go find that lock that opens it up, okay? All of you do that, okay? You guys got to get this shit done today. If this thing goes in the next today or tomorrow, you're screwed. You are literally screwed. Okay, we're going to go through 4 things to do today that you need to do if you want to be a successful trader. You guys want to be millionaires, and a bunch of people are sitting on their computers or on their phones, sitting on their couch, having their coffee this morning. That's fine, but they sit there all day and do nothing and just watch videos on YouTube. It's not going to work for you guys. You guys are going to miss out. Okay, I'm helping you guys. This is free knowledge, okay? I'm not giving you a shit. I love you, right? All the successful people on this are successful. I get success stories all the time that don't want to share their knowledge, what they've done. I've multimillionaires, I have millionaires contact me in my email and say, man, dude, I just made 400 grand since I watched your channel in the last 2 months. They're not going to talk about it on the chat bar. People are very private, man. Okay? If I can buy him up. Oh, okay, so I'll start at the top. Okay, Jorge, so you got to do that, my friend. You got to call your tax place, okay, bro? You just got to, and I would not be telling them, oh man, if I make $1 million on AMC, you don't go to Jesus. You're gonna flag yourself for one thing, okay? Just ask them a question, just hypothetically, if I make 100 grand, just level the number off, okay? Just make it 0 so it's easy to do the math for him or her and you as a person. Don't fucking make this hard on yourself, guys. Cindy Caverly? Oh my God. No way. Are you kidding me? My aunt's on here? Hi, Auntie. So, anyways, guys, so you don't want to screw yourself. So what you guys got to do today before this thing goes up into the millions, okay, this stock. We already know we're going to make millions of dollars in the next couple months on this stock, okay? Hundreds of thousands to $1 million. It's just going to go, okay, as soon as this baby squeezes. So I'm just going to read through some stuff there. Say hi to my aunt, everybody. All you wolves. That's my aunt on there. Cindy Caverly is my aunt. Okay, everybody, give her a thumbs up. Okay, she's a really good person. So, anyways, lead that money, hope swooping up a deal during the squeeze. Warren, you got her right. Okay, you will pay. Okay, you will play regardless of synthetic shares. Yes, they will pay you. Yes, they do. But guys, you gotta download that screensaver. You should call your broker today while you're on the phone with your broker. I'm doing it too. My shares are real though. Okay. The order, I want to make sure my order's been executed. Even though it says buy on my phone, I want to make sure that I'm not going to get fucked. Okay. We're talking millions of dollars on the line, guys. Like seriously. So what you gotta do is you gotta go on your phone, and this is not financial advice, guys, okay? This is entertainment purpose only, okay? You guys know that. So I'm entertaining you to go do this. So guys, I just said that. Hi, Auntie. Pon says hi. Right on. Thanks, guys, for respecting my family. Thanks. So, anyways, what I want to talk to you guys about. Oh, we're getting this good push. Yeah. There's a couple G in my account. I've already made like $5,000 right now. Just from that 4%. You guys have too. There you go. Look at that push first thing in the morning. Ooh. I like that. Hopefully we can hold those numbers. See, we're not used to getting these numbers already. Things are starting to happen, guys. We're probably going to get some dip downs. But hey, look at this. All the shares have already dumped, and we're getting some push, okay? Mandy's, I don't know anything about I don't know anything. Hi, Kay. Good morning, girl. Okay, I called Simple Wealth. Okay, that's what my broker, Sweetness. That's my broker, too. And I spoke to an agent, told her my son made $400,000. Okay. And the tax was basically if you trade from a TSFA, there is no tax on the first 75. Yes, because that's your contributing room. Sweetness, you nailed it, bro. You did some DD. That's awesome. So I'm maxed out already, guys. I'm maxed out. I'm paying taxes no matter what. Okay, but Sweetness, what is the tax though afterwards? Did you find that out? My friend? Oh, sorry, Kay. Sorry, I'm a guy. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm thinking because I had my grandmother, his best friend's old friend used to be Kay. I'm so sorry. I didn't mean that. I'm a guy, dude. I will not. I'm so sorry. Will you take my apology? Okay. Everybody's laughing. Right on. I screw up too, man. How would I know? Because you don't have a pit. You don't have an avatar, my friend. It's all good. So, guys. So what we're going to do is as soon as the market opens, I'm going to buy $1,000 today, okay, of AMC. We're going to do this live. I'm going to see if they took the buy button off of TD Bank, okay? I'm having a feeling that this is getting real now. If I cannot buy shares this morning, I'm safe on Fidelity. I got 60 more shares. Okay, not a problem. Not a problem, guys. So I'm just telling you guys that things are getting real, right? And what I'm going to do is, it doesn't matter if you buy shares. If that order gets executed on your phone and it says executed, yes, you sold, right? The thing is that doesn't really mean anything, okay, guys? You gotta call them and hit record. It screen records, plus it does a voice too. This thing's dope, man, and it's free. You don't have to pay for it. So what it is you call your broker on the phone and you just ask them all the questions you can. Okay? You say, hey, my order went through today. It says executed or like executed, guys, for the new traders means that the order's been bought. It's been sold on the market. Like back in the day, they had a slip of paper, sold. And that was it. You're done. They send the paper through a chute. It goes upstairs. It gets executed. Okay? The order's executed. It gets logged. Now it's all done on computers. There's hardly anybody in the stock exchange, guys. It's dead. It's just an empty building with a bunch of stuff. Okay? It's more of a museum than anything. Yeah. Okay, Andy, you did. But call Robinhood, Andy, on the phone with the screen recorder and see if those... Because if they tell you on the phone, oh yeah, it's been executed, but has it been executed on the market? And they say yes, law-abiding contract. If, for instance, we go into a squeeze and I have a feeling that they're going to be returning shares. They're going to say, oh, they never made it to the market. You have proof. You can sue the shit out of those guys, and then you can get whatever ticker it says, because you can go to your phone on your AZ screen recorder on your iPhone, and it records you too as a person pushing the sell button or the sell button, and it doesn't work, and it will record your voice. Shit, I can't sell. I can't sell. Done. In court, you will win that like that. They will have to pay you that amount, man. You guys. Those motherfuckers don't answer. Write them an email, Andy. Shit. Fuck. That's scary. 3 days for an email? Just write it, my friend. I know it's a pain in the ass. Just do it, dude. Do it. But make sure you... Carlos, how you doing? So... Sorry, guys. I'm really a little bit different this morning. I'm very direct and assertive with you guys. I know I'm a little bit different. Usually I'm all bubbly and that. Today this is when I get teaching you guys. This is how I am. Okay, I'm very serious. I'm not all the fun off the table. Okay, this is a serious day today. Okay, guys, it's Monday, and I've been doing this a long time. You guys know that, right? Holy shit, my whole portfolio is green. Holy crap! I haven't seen this on a Monday. Okay, hang on, guys. I just want to... Greetings from Canada. Okay, guys, I'm just going to go through your messages quickly here. Currently, I have 2,000 in. Okay, you guys? So, you guys can call while you're on the phone with me, too. Okay? You guys can call while you're... Like, don't log off. Just call while you're on the phone with me and save your place in line, right? So, what I'm going to do is... I'm just going to check my portfolio right now, guys. Yeah, I'm up $2,000 right now. I'm always transparent with you guys, right? Okay, so I have my A to Z screen recorder, and I was on that Monday night, and I forgot to turn it off. It recorded like 2 days of me sleeping, everything. It filled my whole phone up full of data. That's how good the friggin' thing works, guys. It recorded everything in my whole house, me picking up my phone, going on, checking my messages, everything. The thing is friggin' awesome. I love it. I actually did a review on their thing for them because I'm like that, right? Yeah, it's called AZ Screen Recorder. So, guys, you got it. Do you guys understand? Do you guys understand what I've talked about? And if not, play this video back. You can actually go back right now. If you got 2 devices, flick your TV on, go back, listen to it, and stay live with me if you want. I'm not telling you... You guys can do whatever you want. You know that, right? And ladies, you can do whatever you want. I highly recommend this. Being lazy in a situation like this could screw you out of everything you've been waiting for, okay? And I know 89% of the people in this world are lazy, including myself and to some degree, okay? This is one thing you can't be lazy on, guys, okay? Parm, how you doing? How you doing? Yeah, we're getting a good push. This is friggin' awesome, guys. Okay, so I'm going to go back and read some messages here. I've emailed Fidelity to confirm my order and waiting for confirmation. Not a problem. But then you want to call in person and record that. That's right. An email is a second backup. I would definitely... Greetings from Canada. Greetings too, bro. So I know that Andy says they don't answer. That's the plan B, is the email. Okay? The plan A is to call them directly. Okay, that's the problem. That's the good thing with banks. They always answer. After you wait on hold for an hour. So, do you spell the screen? Oh, I'll spell it for you right now. Sorry, guys. AZ. There you go. That's it, my friends. That's it, wolves. Manjit, I'm hoping, I want to buy some right now. I never buy in the green. I never do. I'll wait for a pullback. And if it doesn't pull back today, guys, I'm sorry, I won't buy. It's just I'm superstitious like that. But my word's gold. Like I said, I've only almost 1,000 shares, and I've always bought in live. And I show you my portfolio. I show it whenever you want. We can even, I'll show you my portfolio right now. You guys have all seen it so many times, but I'll show you again. Just because there's new wolves on here, and I like to be very transparent with you guys. So through Wealthsimple, we'll go through that broker first, and I'll show you my shares. My shares are worth $8,517, and I'll go to AMC. AMC. There's my shares, 188 shares, and they're worth at $8.21. Here, I'll put that screen on, and that's just one broker. There you guys go. It might be hard to see on there, but you get the gist. There you go. You see the 188. Oh, I'll put it up longer. Sorry, guys. Sorry about that. See the 188? So, we're going to go to somewhere else. We're going to go back because I have two brokers. We're going to log into the T Bank. I'm going to make sure my account numbers are not on there, though. Or else I'm just going to have to go through Wealth or something else here. Okay, broker's account. And we will go to this one with all the money in it. Account numbers. Okay, I'm going to cover my account number up. But there is 755 shares in there. I'm just going to... There. I'm just going to make sure there's no account information on there. No, there isn't. There you guys go. There you go. There's the rest of my shares, man. There you guys go. Told you. Told ya. Oh, you guys can't see that. Shit. You guys can't see that. It's kind of hard, guys. I'm sorry. We'll try that again. If not, then we're going to have to use another method, but it is what it is. It's because of the white on white. Here, I'll try that with no light on. Is that better? Try that. We'll see how that comes up. Yeah, you can barely... Yeah, you can see it. There you go. There you go. Okay. Schwab is legit. Well, they're pretty big. Right. Print out your e-trade confirmations. They have all the info you need. Print out your trade confirmations. They have all the info you need. Transactions. I don't have a... Okay, I don't have a printer, my friend, but... Yeah, you guys, if you want to print them out, he's saying that you can print them out. Archer. That's one thing I don't have is a printer. Well, I do. It's on the floor right here. It's on the floor right there. I can even show you guys. It has a pile of crap on it because the friggin' ink keeps on drying up. I bought ink so many times. I use it, and then it sits for 3 months, and the friggin' thing dries up all the time. Yeah, that's true. Archer's saying print it out. You can print your stuff out. Yes, you can. But that just proves that you have the order. We already know that you own the order, right? We want to make sure that order's executed. Even though it says executed on there, you want a physical human to say on the phone, no, it's been put through the stock market. It's been executed. It is worth what it is. But that's a good one there. That is a good one there. But you want human confirmation live. Okay, guys? And then if they have to, they can always, if you ask the agent number, they can always do a voice recognition on that person too. Okay? If it goes to court. Trust me, they do shit like that, especially when you got hundreds of thousands of dollars online. Okay? So if you say, hey, what's your agent? What number is your agent? And she'll say, my name's so, or he will say, my name's so-and-so. That voice is recorded on that thing. They can actually go back and get that person. They're going to have to subpoena that person to court anyways. They can do a voice recognition on that. Just so you guys know that. And if you don't think so and you're he's on glue. No, I'm not, man. I know this stuff. Yes, you can, sweetness. You can. Yes, that's just a confirmation though. It does mean that you own that. Yes. Yes. I'm talking about physically a human getting on the phone instead of a computer printing stuff out. They can always say, oh, it was a glitch. It was a glitch on the computer. You want an actual person that checks it and physically says, yes, this is it. And then they're fucked. Okay? Literally, pardon my language for swearing, guys, in the morning. When am I dropping the 1K? As soon as it goes to red today, but I don't, it's at 4.25. I don't buy in the green, guys. Never have, never will. So I always wait for a dip, right? And if it doesn't dip today, then I'll be buying tomorrow, right? I've bought all my shares online. Every one of them's been bought online. Oh, no, sorry. The 188 shares wasn't. That wasn't bought online. That was bought before I even had the channel going. That $8.21. But if you guys want to help, if you guys, you just called D-Trade and they told me and confirmation email the order goes to the exchange. I don't have a smartphone to record the conversation. Okay, brother, that's good. Did you write down, oh shit. Proud, did you write down who you were talking to and their number and all that stuff? If you didn't, it is what it is, man. But you should write down the person you're talking to and their ID number if they got one, or department, all the information you can get, guys. Just pretend you're a cop. It's a glare. Oh, on my phone, it's a glare. Yeah. Oh well, sorry guys. Yeah, guys, I don't recommend buying in the green. That's just, I can't give you financial advice, but that's crazy. Because when it dips later on the day, you lost a whole bunch of money. Right? I'm superstitious a bit on the market. When it hits red, I don't give a shit what it is in the red, I'll be buying. As long as it's down at least 1% in the red, I should say. Sorry, I'll correct that. As long as it's 1% down in the red, I'll buy. I'll dump all of it on the market. $1,000, just like that. Okay? Fidelity, you did? Okay, you did? Okay. Okay, Proud's the only one that just called. Have any of you else called their brokers right now, man? I'm serious about this. I'm going to call mine right now because they're open. Because we're Eastern Standard Time. Carlos, hey bro, I buy even if it's in the green. I like to lower my average. That's up to you, bro. That's up to you, my friend. That's up to you. Lower your average, but if you buy in the red, you lower your average even more. I don't understand what you mean on that one, my friend. Sorry, I had to think about that for a minute. Lower your average on buying only in the green? That doesn't make sense, my friend. I'm not understanding what you're saying. Just because it's hard with a text. There's to understand. You know what I mean. You know what I mean, guys. There's no emotions and feelings attached to a text. Okay, but did you verify? You should talk to a person with Fidelity, my friend. Like exactly what I said. An email really means nothing, right? You want a physical confirmation that's recorded on a phone. So if you go to court, I'm saying because what you just bought, my friend, are synthetic shares. What if they say all synthetic shares are void? We're just going to return your money. Well, what do you do then? You can't do that. Well, they just did it. So what are you going to do about it, right? That's what we're worried about. That's the whole concept of this conversation, guys, today. I made a deal. We're going to be talking about this all morning because I want people to be corrected on this. You guys are wolves, okay? You guys are powerhouses, okay? Wolves don't get, when they're in a pack, they're very strong, okay? And that's how we are. We're congregated in a pack. We bring all this knowledge to the table, and that's what it is. If you're just on your own and you didn't bump into this channel, you guys, you could have a chance of where you could have lost everything. And I don't care what you say, oh yeah, whatever, I would have learned. Nobody else is talking about this recording shit, okay? I know that for a fact. People are saying screenshot it. That's different. Yeah. Anyways, my average buy is 40. Buying at 38 will lower the average. Well, yeah. I know what you're talking, but he's saying he buys in the green. I'm not talking about that. That's totally different, my friends. I'm talking about in the green. I don't buy in the green, right? For one thing, I think it's bad luck for one thing. And I'm not talking about that kind of average. I'm just talking about, so that's what he's talking about. What is the app to record? It's AZ. I just put it on the screen, guys. You just go back and look it up. It's called AZ, right where I put it. AZ right here. It's like 15 comments up. AZ screen recorder on Android only. Yeah, so guys, I'm not saying that this is going to happen, but why would you not protect yourself for free? So anyways, I'm calling my broker. Just give me a second. Mine are real shares, but I'm still doing this, okay? And I'm going to be recording it. I'm going to have to put you on mute because of my personal information until I put my account and all that stuff in. Okay, contact us. Call us. Business, credit card, investing. Here we go. Investing department. Sorry, we have to log you out. What? Makes sense. What the fuck are they doing now? Just kick me out of my app. The hell are you doing? Do you have an Apple recommendation for screen recorder? If you go back, Mangjit just told you guys how to do it. It's up in the comments, guys. It's free, Charlie. It's free, my friend. Look at this push we guys got. We're happening today. 5%. We just hit 5. This is pretty good. I haven't seen it this good in the morning for a while. We're only an hour and 13 minutes into the market. No, it's all good, Joe. It's all good. You're allowed to put whatever you want on there, bro. That's true, David. That's true. Everybody does what they want, right? I just don't buy in a green. Ever. I'm superstitious that way, man. I told you guys, I've been doing this for years, right? This is, it is what it is. Don't worry, we're going to get a red days. I kind of don't want to be like talking like that, but don't worry, it's not going to stay green for the rest of the term. It'll be going in the red. You guys know that stuff. You guys know that. You guys are pros with AMC, right? And I don't want to jinx the stock, so just let it ride. Just let it go as high as it can today. I don't mind paying a little bit more, even if it goes up and then tomorrow it's red and it's still up higher. That doesn't bother me. I'm talking about superstition here, guys. I don't mind paying a couple extra buck or two a share. That means nothing, especially with a grand. That's like what, an extra $20? It's nothing, right? Unless it kicks, unless we go into a gamma, then I shot myself in the foot, right? Yes, you can. You can use its simulator. Yes, you can. Webull has a simulator on the bottom left side. It's for practicing for paper trading, day trading. Yes, you can. Sorry, guys. I'm having problems here. Contact. I might have to get offline here. I don't want to break a stream just because to call. That's kind of stupid. Oh, here we go. Here we go. Okay, I'll get my screen recorder set up. Screen recorder right there. There we go. It's already on. Just got to push record. Make sure it works.
I see you're calling from your mobile device. Let me connect you to a customer service representative who'll have your information ready. Please choose from one of the following options. To place a trade, press 1. For all other inquiries, 2. Please choose from one of the following options.
Hang on, guys. I'm going to have to get my information into my wallet here. Just give me a second, guys. It is Cameron Simpson. Curtis, did you say your name was Curtis? Curtis, can I get your ID number or your, just because, and you are being recorded, because I'm asking about personal assets, just so you guys know that, not that anything like that, I just, I'm wondering, because of stock information, I always record my stock information just because I've had problems in the past. I just need your ID number for every people buy. You probably know about AMC, right? Yeah, well, they're all, everybody knows about AMC, right? So there's synthetic shares. I'm glad you know. Go ahead. So I don't need any personal information. You already know who I am. Okay, cool. Okay, thanks, brother. No, it's all being recorded. You can just tell me your number.
Yeah, okay, so it's 111, right? And
Yep.
then you have 3103128.
Okay. Okay, thank you very much. I appreciate your number. Okay, so I have a question for you. Okay, if you want to just, I'm only worried about AMC shares. Okay, what were the dates I purchased those shares?
Let me take a look here. Is it on the RDSB account here?
Yes, it is. It's the U.S. Cash account.
Oh, US cash. All right, let me just give it to that one.
Not a problem, brother.
Did you buy those shares this year or no, Cameron?
Yes, I bought them in the beginning of the year.
Okay.
It should show the dates there. Just can you read me the dates though, just so I have it? We're on the same thing.
Is there a record be able to go back to Steve and check?
Yeah, I don't. That's okay. Just check it out. I've got time.
Alright, give me a moment here. Let me try to find it. Just go to put you in a brief hold there, Cameron. What number should I call you back on in case you get disconnected?
In case we get disconnected, I'm just gonna give you my phone number. It's just that I'm gonna have to just give me a second. Sorry, guys, I had to give him my phone number and everything. So, anyways. So, guys, did you hear? I'm on hold right now. Did you hear everything I was doing? That's exactly what you do. He gave me his number, everything. The time it was there, where he's calling from, the switchboard, everything. Okay, guys? Sorry, I know this is live stream right now, guys, but this is more serious than anything to do with the stock market right now. I'll put the day on hold for you guys just to show you guys exactly what I'm doing. Now he's looking back into archives right now and finding those dates they were executed on. I'm making him do the work. He says, "Oh, it's okay, they're good." No, they're not good. I want that physically recorded. Hey Frank, how's it going? I'm just on the phone with the TD Bank right now, my friend. You're gonna have to play it back to find out. We're gonna see if we're seeing if our orders are executed and what times, dates. Make sure that they're real shares. He knows about AMC. He even said on the phone, yes, they're fraudulent shares that they're selling. So he just admitted on the phone. I cannot believe that. And just so you guys know, this is TD Bank Canada. Thanks for all the thumbs up, guys. Up 37. Wow, thanks, brothers. I really appreciate that. That's awesome. You make me smile. So yeah, this is what you guys do when you're on your phone. You guys should all be on the phone right now recording your conversations to your broker right now. Forget about your your picture snapshot shit. It doesn't mean anything. See what AZ Stream Recorder gives you? The camera up in the corner recording everything you're doing. See? It even records the buttons you push on the screen. David's from Canada. He just said, I'm in tax-free savings in Canada. Is that what you're talking about? If it's in your TSFA, you don't have to pay taxes on the first $75,000. In Canada, guys. In a tax-free savings account. What if you don't have a smartphone, Proud? I'd go borrow one. Go borrow your friends or something. I would do this today. Today, guys. Don't wait. Yes, I would call your broker in the UK. Yep. And you can always play this video back, guys. I'd be calling him live. I got the schedule recorder. It's simple to use. Yes, Frank, it's really simple to use. Hi, Dee. Good morning. I'm glad you guys found my channel too, man. Thanks for the support, guys.
Alright, hey, Carmen,
Hi, buddy. Not a problem.
Alright, so I got your three buy orders.
3 buy orders, and they've all been executed, eh?
Yeah, you want to give me the details, or
Sorry?
you want me to give you the details?
Yes, I need the detail. Yeah, my friend. I'm sorry, but you get paid by the hour, so it's all good, right? Yeah, go ahead, my friend.
Alright, so you bought 400 shares of EMC at $14.50.
Yeah, that's correct.
On the 29th of January this year.
29th of January, okay.
Yeah. The second buy order I see here this year was for 380 shares at 380.
Yeah.
40.6271 per share on the 1st of February.
The 1st of February, okay.
And the last buy order for this year was 10 more shares of EMC at 18.9893 per share on the 27th of May.
27th of May. So those are probably synthetics then, probably, eh? The last ones then?
Probably, I don't know. Like, yeah, I don't follow much.
Yeah, I know. I know what's going on. So what I wanted to ask you was, so what happens? Let's say that they are synthetics, okay? Or actually, I wanted to ask you one thing first. What is the tax in Canada on those shares when I sell them?
So if you don't have so normally for the but the taxes though, right? For
Like if,
selling those.
yeah.
The thing is for tax, the way it works is that if you had these U.S. tax that pays dividends though, like an income
Yeah.
on your registered account, like a TFC, because it's not recognized in the states, then it's called the non-resident tax.
Well, it's the count I have right now, right?
Yeah, but you have like a non-registered account.
Yeah.
Which is a U.S. account, so that doesn't really apply.
No.
Taxes for that would just be like, say you sell it and you realize a capital gain,
Yeah.
right? Then as for any Canadian residents on income on your trading account, then you're responsible for any capital gains for that year, that tax year.
Okay, yeah, I know that. But what is the percentage? You know. Roughly, my friend.
I would know. Trust me,
Oh,
we
you
don't talk about
you don't know? Okay, I'll call the revenue. I'll call the tax place. I was just asking, right?
CRA.
Okay,
Yeah.
CRA. Okay, so yeah, that's perfect. Can you send me this information to my email address, my friend? Because I don't.
Yeah, you.
Okay, I appreciate it. It's on file.
Your email address is Cameron Simpson Welding at Gmail.
That's me, my friend. That's me. Okay, so and
Anytime, sorry, anytime we send you out information, financial information about your account, Cameron, we're gonna send it by secure email. Where you get it you have to create a password and then use that password to download the email with your
okay.
information on it. Okay.
Thanks for telling me that. And hey, are you into stocks?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, well go. Hey, you're right now. I'm on my YouTube channel talking to you. So go to CS Trades 101, and you're live right now. Just so you know.
All right.
Go to CS Trades 101. It's called the Wolf Pack. Go there and look and hit the sub button, my friend, and you're one of us now. Okay? If you type it on your phone right now, you can go back and play the whole conversation we were talking about. I'm just trying to educate some people on how to find if your order's been executed properly. Okay, thank you for your time, my friend, and you have a beautiful day. Okay?
No problem.
Thank you.
Appreciate the business.
I appreciate your business too. Okay, bye.
All right, take it. Bye.
That's how you do that, guys. Okay, just hang on. I got to figure out how to stop the screen recorder now. Oh, there we go. Stop. Record. Save. Yes, save. Video saved. Everything. Everything. The keypad, my face, all my expressions on my face. Everything. Everything I push to get in there. The whole conversation. There you guys go. That's how you find if your order's been executed. He sent me an email. Let's go through this again. He sent me an email afterwards verifying my email address. So there's no bullshit. Okay? I got his name. He didn't know his tag number. So he had to go into the computer because it's so long. I have time for that. He gets paid by the hour. I joke around. Be nice with him. Okay? He doesn't have the best job in the world working on the phone. What did he say about synthetic shares? He can't comment on that. He says, I know what you're talking about. He will not comment on that. Good morning, Free. So I'm just going to just give me a second, guys. So what I did was at the end of the conversation, we're going to work our way backwards. Okay. I got him to send me an email after the conversation. Okay. It's time stamped. Okay. It does have a password because it's sensitive information. I agreed on all of that on the phone. The second one was the tax information he did not know about, which is fine. He said, call the tax place. That's all recorded. So that's good information. Okay. Back to it. Now I bought it. I didn't know this. I forgot. I bought it 3 different stacks. 3 different orders were executed. I thought there was only one. I forgot. January, February, and then 10 shares in March. Okay. So, and he gave me the grand total, timestamps, executed. The orders were all executed within 5 minutes of purchase. Okay. And that's it. That's it, guys. Done. All on the phone. He told me the prices they were bought at, right to the 16th of a cent. Right down. It doesn't even show that on my trading app when I buy it. Okay. And he told me how much I paid for them too. Right. And yes, they're insured. They're insured by the bank. Okay. So there you guys go. Oh, what's my buttercup? What's up, brothers? Okay, guys. So did that guys help you at all? I know today's a little bit different day, but we're at $35.91, 4.39, and all I left the room was to give my phone number and my personal information on the account. Okay, that's all I left about, and just so you guys were wondering, why did he leave the room? So that's why, right? And he's subbing to our channel, by the way. He just said, really? He goes, he's seen us on there before. Because he watches stocks, because he's a stock department. So he said that he knows the channel. He's watched some videos of us. May is around the synthetics. My 10 shares are probably synthetics. January and February are the real shares, guys. March, in there. January and February for sure are the real shares. What are we talking about free? You're going to have to go back. We're talking about call your broker. You're going to have to play the video back, man. You always come in late. I've been talking for an hour, 2 hour, 6:30, 7:30, an hour. Call your broker. Download this A to Z screen recorder like we talked on the other video, at the 4 hour video. Ask him his agent number, the bank, branch, where he's calling from, the time there, what orders, what they bought in sequence, what you bought them at, right to the penny, were the orders executed, what time were the orders executed on. Executing means purchased actually through the stock market. Were they directly purchased? Yes, they were directly purchased. The TD Bank directly purchases orders in Canada, right from the New York Stock Exchange. It doesn't go through a third party. I asked that, okay? So there. Do you think it's too late to transfer from Webull to I have an account both and would like to consolidate? That I don't know, guys. I can't give that information, and it's very risky. It's really risky to be in Robinhood, for one thing. Yes, they're insured. The synthetics are insured. Yes, they are. I know that for a fact. I didn't ask him about that. He wouldn't talk about synthetics, right? He knows about them, but he goes, I can't talk about that. He was very, very, like, he shut me down like that, okay? Because I told you have to tell them they're recorded. You can't just record them up here in Canada, at least. You can't record somebody and without telling them, okay? And it's better to tell him anyways, because then he's more thorough. Because when you're recording, you don't want to give somebody bullshit, right? So they'll tell you the truth because they know. Beautiful people on AMC. Yeah, it's a pretty good movement, guys. Do you guys have any questions at all? Okay, ask me now. Forever hold your peace. No, ask me if any questions, guys, at all that you have. Because if you're thinking of a question, somebody else probably would that too, right? Okay, I heard when transferring shares from one broker to another, they scramble and have to send real ones. There's no real shares for sale, my friend. They're all bought. They were bought. That's what I just got off the phone. The real shares were January and February, all the shares, and maybe a little bit of March. Those are all the real shares. Everything's synthetics from that point on. They're all fake. If a real share comes on the market, the hedge funds buy it right away. They can see that stuff we can't. Okay, guys? They want the real shares, not the synthetics. Are we squeezing soon? Are we going to 2,000? Manjeet, are you serious? Nobody knows that. Nobody knows that, girl. I've been holding since January. I can hold another 6 months if I have to. I hate to say that, guys, but if it's for all this money, I can hold a long time. It doesn't cost me anything, right? It costs the hedgies money. But these laws are going to pressure, okay? Robinhood, because I have some shares in there and they only doing email phone calls. They send emails with a letter, what you think. You only can do what you can do. That's why Robinhood is, fuck, their assholes, man. See, I don't have that issue, but if I was with Robinhood, I'd get the hell out of there, man. Right? Like, look at what they did before, guys. But I would be careful. If it was me, I'd find out how long it takes to transfer. If Robinhood is a bitch to get a hold of, call the new broker, your new broker, and say, how long does it take to get an order put through? Do the backtrack. Instead of getting from Robinhood, work your way back to Robinhood, okay? And then get them to help you release your order, okay? Fidelity is a good one, okay? You want to be with the banks or Fidelity. You want to be with a bank, like TD Bank, like... What is the main question? Please verify that all the shares have been executed. Yep, pawn, that's the first one. Yeah. Were they executed right to the New York Stock Exchange, or were they third party? Right? Or were they put into a third party agency and then they execute the order? Or is it directly done? And then you want to find out when they were purchased, right? Even if you know the answer, you want this on the recording. Then you want to know the price, okay? And then you want to know when they were executed, when they were bought, when they were purchased, executed. They know all this stuff, and if they can't tell you, they're full of shit. Okay, ask for a supervisor, okay? Because all this is logged, okay? I know that, guys. And then you want to ask, sorry, I got sidetracked here. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Just ask them those questions and ask them how much they're insured for. And they'll go, well, what do you mean? And just say, well, what if something goes sideways? What if it's synthetic shares I own? And they might not want to talk about that, but just say, hypothetically speaking, what happens if the price goes up too high and you guys can't afford to pay it and something goes sideways? Ask questions. It's free. Your Warren, your order went through. Okay. What were you using, Warren? Pawn, you have over 29 trades? Well, you're going to be on the phone for a while then, aren't you? The buy and sell volume per candle? Sorry, Andy, I don't understand what you're saying, my friend. The buy and sell. Cam, can you please tell us the buy and sell volume per candle? I'm being a little dozy this morning. Like the ticker symbol right now, sorry, brother, it's hard to tell through a text sometimes when somebody's asking you something. You're going to have to elaborate, my friend, my brother, okay? Really good talk today, guys. I was waiting all weekend to talk to you guys about this. And then Lou put a video out on it. It just happened that he put a video out on it. I was already talking about this Saturday night before he put his video out. I think he watched our channel, actually, because he broadcasted that the next day early in the morning. He did two different segments. And then listen to this. You know how Ape Father came on the channel? We don't even think it was. It was Ape Father that was on the channel, by the way, that night, guys. It was. Okay, I know that for a fact now. So anyways, notice he started the next video. The next day he talked about crypto. It was him on. He's like, the next play is crypto. Soon as first thing in the morning, he mentioned that. It was Ape Father that was on Saturday night with us on the chat bar. Just 100%. Because I know, because the first video he shot, he's never talked about crypto plays like that ever. And then he's like, the next play is crypto, man. I'm in on crypto. I'm going to make my own crypto. See, guys, it was him. Not a problem, Pawn. It's worth it. You're working for your money. It's all good, guys. They verified order execution when they put your order in. Yep, Aaron, they do. Awesome. Did you get that on a recording, though, is the question. Because it means nothing on a piece of paper. Nothing, guys. Nothing on a piece of paper. Or even a screenshot. Nothing. Doesn't mean anything. Right? It doesn't. Think about it. But being on a physical phone with somebody with a judge in a courtroom with you and your broker in court battling this out because they returned all your synthetic shares and said, oh, we made a mistake. How are you going to prove that? Well, you're going to prove when it's at multiple, we can't discuss numbers, but when it's in a ridiculous amount and you're trying to sell and you get a thing saying that your shares have been returned in the mail and now you're screwed. When you have a recording, you go to court, say, no, they told me those are real shares. I got a physical voice telling me, not a computer. Oh, the computer sent that out. It was a mistake. The computer did it. We're not liable for that. Do you understand what I'm saying, guys? Now you have a guy with a physical ID number telling you physically, and then if you can't do that, you physically take that guy to court and sue him. You take that guy and you take his house, everything he owns, for telling you that information. Charlie, I start at Pacific Standard Time. I'm in BC, so Canada. So I start at 6:25. I like your avatar. Buy in a green, red sell indicator. Each bar has a total amount purchased, 100%. Oh, dude, I don't have on this talk screener I have, I don't pay for it, my friend, because I'm cheap. I told you guys that. I don't like paying for or tech. I don't pay for any of that stuff. That's why yeah, because I don't get paid. It would be out of my own pocket. So what I do is I can't find that information. That's called a level 2 book, okay? Or a level 2 order on here where you have to pay for it. Okay, my friend? I can't give you that information. Weeble's not a good broker. They're all right. It's just they're from China, right? They're not local, right? I don't want to scare anybody. I don't want to put fear into you guys at all. All I'm saying is the banks are the best. That's all. That's all. Free. If you're gonna buy shares from now on, just open a broker's account like in a bank, right? And if you have to pay $10 for an order, pay the $10. It's worth it, right? That $10 is just peace of mind in my eyes. I pay $10 to sell, $10 to buy. It's friggin' expensive, but look at the service I just got on the phone. I don't have to talk by email. It was done like that. The guy answered immediately on the phone, right? Anyone notice how small the candle range Friday and instead of the large candle range? I wonder if it's a sign of what's going on to happen. It could be, Ed. It could be, Ed. But guys, this is just an educational period. It's an eye-opener, okay? I know some of you are sitting there going, what the hell? I'm so stressed out. Take some deep breaths. Write it down and start at the top. Download your screen recorder. Practice with it a couple times. Call the bank up or your broker. Deal with that. Cross it off the list. Okay? And then after you do that stuff, play back your video. Make sure it's kosher. Make sure you did it all right. Okay? Make sure you didn't race your video at the end. And if you did, you call them back and do it all over again. Right? And then you email yourself that video, or not email yourself. You save that video to your to archive somewhere. I don't know if you're with Dropbox or if you have the Google Cloud or whatever. Put it somewhere. Make a duplicate of it. Yeah, Webull, those apps are easy to use. I know it's nice. You guys are like, I like Webull app, but does it have financial backing? I'm not trying to scare you guys, but you know what I mean? It just think it's out of the country. It's not even in the States, that app. It has nothing to do with the States. I'm just saying, from now on, if it was me buying orders, I would be buying through a bank. That's all I'm saying. Okay? I would. Okay? Because in China, what if they say, here, there's all your orders back? Are you going to fly to China? They won't even let you in China, right? That's all I'm trying to say. I'm not that they will. I'm not trying to scare you guys at all. I'm trying to educate you guys as traders. That's all this channel's about, is learning. I learned today. I learned some things on the phone. I learned some things off you guys with Canadian, with the tax-free savings account, with 75,000. Anything 75,000 you're allowed to make up. It's all tax-free money. Anything after that, you have to pay taxes. I did not know that. Okay, I learned that off one of the wolves today. Guys, you know what I'm saying? That's all I'm saying, guys. Don't get all upset and scared. Just start dealing with this. That's all, right? And I just imagine if we didn't discuss this, how fucked you could have been, right? Pardon my language, guys. Real handy, Manny. I don't know how that works. You have to figure that out, my friend. I don't know. You're going to have to call them or something, or figure it out. Messing up your average. Yeah, I don't know how that works. I have no idea, my friend. I have no idea. I'd be in the same category as some of you, but where I'm from, they only have two options. I have I have 188 shares through Wealthsimple. Okay, do I trust them? Sort of. Do I trust them 100%? No, I don't, because they're a trading app, right? Do I trust the bank 100%? Yes, I do, right? Because I've already had, I told you guys that before. When that GME thing happened in AMC, I could not sell my shares or buy my shares. They took the thing right off. I got an out of court settlement. I told you guys that before. Okay, it wasn't much. I went and bought shares with it. They gave me instant cash into my Traders US account, and I bought shares, those 10 shares with it. Okay, all it was a screw up on there, and it didn't really cost me. What it was a fuck up on their part, and I caught it, and I screenshotted it. But the problem was that's where I learned. He says, I really don't need to pay you because there's no proof. You have a screenshot, but where's the proof you were trying to sell? I was like, oh shit. Screen recorder. That's where I came up with that. Okay, there you go. Somebody's telling you right now, no, you don't mess up your average. I transferred mine. There you go. Oh, Manjita's telling you, you got some education here. There you go. Because I don't like giving education unless it's factual. I'm very strict on that with myself, guys. That's why I'll say, you're like, and probably you guys, some of you are like, what the hell? Why won't he tell us? It's because I don't give you guys misleading information, man. Okay? Right? Because what do I gain from it? Like, I'm not trying to get popular here, right? That's not it, right? So, and you guys are, most of you guys are really good friends, okay? A lot of you guys have been on the channel for quite a while now. Okay, guys, I'm just going to do a little bit of homework here on myself, my own. You guys can hang out here. I just got to check my mail, which we have really good breaking news sometimes on there. So let me get into my stuff, check out some stuff here, guys. And, yeah. Wolves, I gotta go get some coffee. I gotta go get some wolf juice. I'm just joking. That's kind of stupid, but I knew I could make you guys laugh. Oh, I gotta strike down. Oh, somebody striked me down with the thumbs up. Oh, they knocked our average down for the channel. Well, I guess somebody didn't like the free education I was giving them. Oh, it was probably a hedge fund. That's probably what it was, guys. Yeah, somebody gave me a thumbs down. Must have been a hedge fund. Because we're getting some pretty serious information out here. They're probably like, what the frig? Shit. This guy's telling them everything. Everything to save it. That's probably what that was. That was a hedgie on here, guys. That was just checking in. I almost 100% guarantee that. Hey, Ryan. Welcome to the channel, my friend. Welcome to the channel. Unless you've been here before, but I don't remember you. But anyways, welcome to the Wolf Pack. I'm going to get some coffee here. But yeah, that was a hedgie on our channel, dude. There's no way somebody would have struck me down for giving them his personal information like this. That doesn't make sense. I'm going to have to go back and check later on all the people that were on the channel. Okay, I'll be back in 2 seconds here, guys. And yeah, I'm just going to go grab a coffee. I'll be literally... it probably was Kenny. That's weird. I can check to see all the people that were on, right? It just takes me about an hour to do it. It's a lot of work, but yeah. So I'll be back in a second, guys. And thanks for all the positive feedback on the channel. I really love you guys, man. But anyways, I'll go get this. You guys just chat, take advantage of the chat bar there, and just go to town, man. Start asking each other's questions, because that's what this is about right now. It's education period. We just hit 6%, guys. Yeah! do. Da da dun dun dun. Okay, my wolves. How's the pack doing now? You guys feel a little bit better now that I talked to you guys about this today? Okay. Oh. Okay, what's up, wolves? What you got going on here? Okay, should we transfer? Okay. Hey, when you guys transfer shares to a bank finds out there's fake. Well, the bank sells fake shares too, my friend. Nobody knows what they are, right? Nobody knows. That's the problem with this shit. But if it's a dividend stock, there's a problem. That's why we're getting into dividend stocks later on, okay? Should we transfer or not? That's up to you guys. That's up to you guys. That's totally up to you guys. You guys got to do some soul searching here. I don't know. If it was me, I would transfer half, right? If it goes through, then you're not totally screwed if something happens. And then if it goes through within a couple days, fire the other rest. And then you're not out. That's what I would do if it was me, right? Damn, we're at 6.2. Yeah. Fuck yeah, baby cakes. Yeah. I'm liking these juicy friggin' candlesticks. Look how friggin' juicy those are, eh? David, yeah, no kidding, because that's that's awesome. That's awesome. There is no real shares, everybody, because if they say they sell fake shares, they'll get sued. That's why the guy on the bank was backpedaling too. But we all know they're synthetics, right? Yeah, it's getting big. The channel's getting pretty big there, Edward. Yeah, it's getting bigger. Depends on the days. Depends on people with work. A lot of stuff, my friend. Saturday night, I didn't put that night I did. I didn't put a notification out on one of those nights. Yeah, it's Edward. The channel's getting substantially big, for sure. It's doubled in size in the last 3 weeks. It's actually doubled. Yeah, Jose. Yeah. We heard that went through on Webull too. Yeah. That's cool. That's good to know, though. Thanks, guys. I really appreciate that. We just need to find... Hey, just hang on a second. So they're not having problems with it. They're still selling synthetics then, which is fine. It's just you guys got to go in. Hi, Hector. You guys got to go in and make sure with what I told you before. And if not, if you don't know what I'm talking about, go play the video back, guys. I will be making a hedgy or shill. Joe, what's up, brother? It takes 3 to 5 business days. Oh, thanks, David. You're trying and doing those transfers fast. It will squeeze, and your process can do nothing about it. That's true. And it's hey, how's it going? Welcome back to the channel. Jason, rip today. Yeah. It is a good day to be an AMC holder. Oh, we're up 7.6%, 7.9. Holy shit. Wow, that's why you guys is that your first thumbs down? Yeah, it is, my friend. It is. Oh, first down in my life? No, I pissed some people off before. No, we had one on Saturday night too. I don't know. Like, But usually in the mornings, I don't think I've ever had a thumbs down in the mornings, right? Because it's all just members, right? They're all wolves on here, like, but anybody can stop by. It was definitely a hedge fund or just a pure hater, right? That was definitely probably a hedge fund for sure, or somebody that works with that department or in that area, because we were talking about some serious shit that anybody would love to get that knowledge, right? So I don't understand. Felix, how's it going? How you doing? No, it's a little late. Felix, you're probably going to want guys that just got on here now and repeat it a couple times and sound like a broken record. You want to play back this video, this podcast. There's very valuable information about shares. I can't go through it all again. My throat is so sore from the last couple days talking, guys. We did a 4-hour stream the other day. And, and yeah, you should play it back. Okay, and you should call your broker and you'll know why. Okay, guys? 7.30. Holy shit. He was on the channel. The Ape Father was on our channel on Saturday night, guys. He came on here and the first thing we were talking about crypto, about our plays. We were talking about, you guys should play that video back. It's 4 hours long. You should go watch that today if you got time too. Do some homework. You never been to Canada? Yeah, Mr. C? No? It's beautiful here. It's beautiful here. Oh yeah. Right on. Somebody's dropping some wolves, man. Right on. Cool. So yeah. Wow, look at this, eh? Look at this. Green, 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 green. That's beautiful. Whoops. Look at that. Look at that run. That's a beautiful friggin' run. Beautiful. That's friggin' beautiful. Yeah, David. Michael David. Good morning. And it probably was. It probably was. Oh, for J2N? Yes, you do. Oh, for sure you do. You have to have proof of it, too. Same as us coming to go to the States. Yes, you do. They're very, very, very strict here. Our government are a bunch of douchebags here, man. Well, same as yours, but you know what I mean? All government is everywhere. But yeah, man, our government are fucking... Trudeau's a fucking moron. No, this isn't a start of a squeeze, man. No, it's just a good day. Just a good day. There might be a little bit of FOMO right now because the new stuff coming in. And that's right. Carlos is right. You got it now. You got it now because of the so much positive stuff. That's what it is. It's FOMO, people fearing not being able to get in. People have shot in videos like myself. People know that they couldn't buy shares on Friday off of a couple apps. That gets out and people are like, frig, I gotta buy some shares now. That's probably what this is. But most of the orders are not making it to the market. We already know all that. So who knows what's going on? It could be direct order deposits. A lot of people are going to private brokers now. There's a lot of education getting out there, guys. And we're going to be hitting 8% here any minute, it looks like. Yep, 37. We tapped it. Okay, guys, I'm just going to pull back some trendies here for you. Some resistant lines here of my own. Okay, what do we got here? See, I keep track of everything right from the start of AMC. These are my own lines too. So we need $38.63 is our number. That's what we need. Okay, so I'm going to put it back on here because it means nothing to you guys. I just want to check what we're at. I keep track of all this shit, man. I'm like a frigging soldier when it comes to this stuff. Yeah, it is a FOMO. Buffalo Dan, welcome back, brother. How you doing this morning? Coming for some coffee with the wolves? So we're going to get some consult right now, a little bit, which we need. Same as we had down in this area right here. We had consolidation right here, a little bit of consult here. We'll get some consult here, and this hopefully will pound it up a little bit further. It'd be nice to close around the 15% today. I think if we get to 15 to 18, if it does get up to 15 to 18%, serious FOMO will kick in, and we're going to see some serious numbers. We have no volume coming in too. This is how a normal, well, we do have volume, I shouldn't say it. We do have volume coming in, but nothing. So something's happening here, guys. It's weird. It's weird. Maybe they have a bunch of orders that they want to close in the money. So they're letting it run so they can make some money. Oh, here comes some volume. Here we go. A whole bunch of volume just dumped in the market, guys. Holy shit. Wow, millions of shares just dumped on the market right now. Did you guys just see that? Oh, we're getting a pushback now. Fuckers, man. Yeah. I just seen 1 million shares get dumped on the market. Couple bailout. I seen like 2 million shares get dumped on the market just now, right in front of my eyes. It shouldn't be going down. Yeah, there's some weird shit going on. This stock's unpredictable. We already know that. But we do need some consolidation here, though, guys, to get it to the next level. That was a pretty good run right here. We see how we were nice, thick, and juicy here, and then it petered out? That's because we need to get some more consolidation. Oh, it's being controlled. Oh, huge, man. Oh, huge. Oh, for sure this is being controlled. For sure. Yeah, give us a couple more red candles and we'll bounce. That's what's going to happen. I'm almost very positive on that. Unless we get a ladder attack, well, which we're not. These aren't... Oh, fuck. Now they're screwing with us. Fuck. This happens all the time, man, when we get up high. These fucking assholes. Nobody's selling, guys. It's all bullshit. There's nobody friggin' selling. I know that for a fact. Margin calls are loaded out, not cash. Loaned out. Okay, yeah. Okay. Not cash. I didn't know that, Proud. I did not know that. They're setting up option traps. Sweetness, that's exactly what I was saying. That's what I was saying. They're setting up some traps right now. Well, that's a better way to put it, my friend. That's what I said. They're setting it, letting it run, so they can be in the money on some things, some plays. They know what the frig they're doing, guys. Like, you have to remember, this is their house, right? Yeah, I called that ladder attack before it even happened, eh? I know. But it's okay. It's okay, guys. It's okay. It is what it is, right? We own these shares, man, and we're golden for that. Yeah, that's true. That's true, Brookman. Okay, I'm just going to check. I'm just going to check my Twitter account to see if we got any new information here. Manny, thanks for the follow on Twitter, guys. Manny on here. Just hit me on Twitter. Just started the account. Oh, we got 88 followers on there. That's pretty good. It's pretty new. If you guys do want to follow my Twitter in case the channel ever gets taken down or anything ever happens to it, you can always follow my handle, my Twitter handle, or Instagram. I'm on Twitter more though, guys. You can find that on the front page. I can tell you, it's called @trades. I'll give it to you guys right now, actually. It's small, but this is a good way for a backup. If anything ever happens and you need to get a hold of me and something happens, there you guys go. And I usually follow back too, so it's double locked. It's locked and loaded. Okay, guys? So that's me. There you guys go, wolves. That's up to you if you want to. I'm not telling you what to do. You know that. I'm just saying that it's beneficial to you guys, right? To have more information on me than... Oh, proud. Options are killing us. That's what's kicking the can down the road, man. It's 100% true. Get some light in here, guys. Now that it's light outside. Nah, I don't have feelings on this play, Dave. It's just a fake line going up and a fake line going down. I like David's style, and he's so friggin' true, guys. That's why I like try not to line watch, and I'll be like doing other stuff with you guys, talking about other stuff. So a lot of the channels will be like watching a line, and you guys just sit and watch a line all day. It's stupid, man. Sorry, but it's fucking stupid, right? That's why I will do other stuff, right, with you guys, like educate, like we have school. You know what I mean? Oh, D Robbins, thanks for the follow, man. I just got a notification on Twitter. D, thanks for the follow. Now you're locked and loaded. Now you got my handle on Twitter, and yeah, guys, because if anything goes down on any of this stuff, to get a hold of me to find out what I'm doing, because I'm not going anywhere. I'm a life trader. I've been doing this for a while. I'll be doing this for the rest of my life. Yeah, I got it. Thanks, D. And then you can get my videos posted. They come up on there too, eh? Every video I make comes up on Twitter, okay? Just so you guys know that. And like it's new account. Oh, it's new. There's only like, I think 89 people now on there. It's small. It's really small. But it is what it is, right? It is what it is. Wow, that's the highest of all my stocks on my stock scanner. Yeah, it's the highest. Wow. Oh yeah, and for any Canadians on here, you know that you can get a discount on your stocks through Wealthsimple, eh? Down or not? It's down below on this video or other videos. There's a code there, eh? And you can get yourself some free money in stocks, okay? Not that I'm doing promotional shit. I'm just trying to save you guys some money. That's all. It doesn't bother. I don't care if you do it or whatever. I'm just telling you. It's only for Canadian though, okay? But there's some free money for you, right? It is what it is. So, I don't see anything on Twitter, guys, at all. Actually, I'll double check that I didn't go into browsing here. Wow, that Afghanistan thing, because I don't watch the news, I'm all into stocks, right? I'm strictly into stocks, but I went and checked that out last night. Holy shit. Oh my God. I don't even know what to say about that one. Like, wow. I feel sorry for all those innocent people, man. Ha! At Twitter here, I got a tweet here. The ape community is a force not to be reckoned with. So, wolves, same thing. We're making stock market history. The voices being heard around the world. The power is not to be reckoned with. Buy and hold. Damn, that's a pretty cool that's pretty cool tweet. That's pretty neat. Thanks, Bruce. Thanks for the follow. Okie doke doke doke. Yeah, the wolf pack's getting pretty friggin' huge, man. There's going to be a lot of people that are educated. You guys are more educated than most. Just so you guys know that. I make sure of that. Okay, guys? I make sure you guys are. And there's going to be lots more information coming out, like daily. Okay? I'm going to be shooting a podcast. And the thing is about when you jump on the morning, you guys know what's going to be playing out through some of the week. So I'm going to be doing a podcast probably earlier today or tomorrow. The sooner the better. About these, about the A to Z screen recorder. So if you guys get that stuff, and you're like, oh man, we already discussed this, and you've discussed it so many times, you gotta take in consideration it's for new people, okay? And same as when I'm promoting, because I do the promotions of my own stuff. That's what it's all about, right? Because I want to bring people in, and you're welcome to bring your friends in or anybody you want, right? And a lot do, which is awesome. That's why I promote the 24, 7 days a week, 24-hour the squeeze thing on my every video. It's not that I'm like losing my mind. It's just that there's so many new people, and we're worldwide now. Okay, we're all over the world now. Right? As you guys know, when we do a roll call, right? It's crazy. Anyone else on here that has E-Trade? And so do you like them? Proud's asking a question, guys. I kind of want to know the answer to that too. Okay. I'm going to go back to some of your messages here, guys. Realistically, when could the most start? Weeks, months? No idea. No idea. We don't know. It's most likely going to start in a pre-market. Most squeezes do. The Volkswagen did. It started at 6 in the morning. First thing Monday morning. On a Monday. Just remember, computers don't have feelings. That's true, yeah. Good. Good. Ultimate. Connections. Good, good. See? Good. We got one wolf that completed a full sequence of recording and everything. Called, recorded everything, and everything's good. Good. I'm happy to hear that. Yes. See, it's not that hard, guys. It's not that hard. It's not that hard. Make sure your upper cell limits are taken off too. Okay, that's another thing. Make sure those upper cell limits are taken off. Try going to your settings on your phone or your app or whatever you got your stocks on, or when you're on the phone with them, ask them, how do I is there a default where it can sell just out of the blue? Make sure that there isn't. That happened on GME at about $200 to $400. That's why we had those dips, is because of friggin' Robinhood apps and the Webull apps. Some people had them set on these default even numbers, right? And it screwed a lot of people. Okay? Thanks, Jay. Thanks for the follow, man. Thanks for the follow on Twitter, bud. So yeah, looking so. Oh yeah, what do we got going on here now? Yeah, we're down a little bit. We did a good recovery on that, actually. To be honest with you guys, it recovered not bad. Okay, so far. So I'll blow that up a bit for you guys. Sorry, I know it's hard to see on your smartphones here. I'll make sure. I always try to remember to take consideration for you guys on your phones. Yeah, the whole market is green for some reason. That's rare on a Monday. It's rare on a Monday. Swing traders. Yeah, well, a little bit. Looks like identical those red candles. Some people are swing trading this for sure. They're very risky doing that, though. Especially they would have swing traded at 7% and then sold. Yeah, that could be a little bit of it. For sure. For sure. Yeah, that's right. Or yeah, not smart for that. SHFs. SHFs. Just gonna go back to make sure I read all your comments, guys. Have they started to cover yet? A little, yes, but no, not the big plays. No, but there has been. I don't even know the percentage, but I read some charts that there's a fractional. It doesn't do anything to us. Okay, it doesn't do anything. They're like smaller hedge fund. It doesn't. Yeah, it's not even worth talking about. Shamron, there are some concerns for a market crash. Damn rights there is. Yeah, I do see a market crash happening, and that's when it's gonna fire sale, and that's when we're gonna turn ourselves into multimillionaires. I hate to say it, but that market crash, if you guys own stocks and other stuff, it'll recover. It always does. The market always corrects itself. Okay, it always does. It might take a while, but I hate to say it, but I hope it crashes, because when it won't affect the AMC and the stocks that are in the push. Okay, that's what's going to cause this crash. It's going to be a fire sale. I know the government's saying that they're going to they'll hold these longs for the guys, on and on and on and on. Yeah, but a lot of that's all nice and everything. The government's going to say that, right? But you know what the government says and what happens is crap most of the time. You guys know that stuff, right? And a lot of people don't want nothing to do with the government, right? A lot of these hedge funds have plays they don't want to expose themselves, right? So what's going to happen is, yes, it's going to drop. That's my predictions, and it happened in 2008, and it's the same sequence here. So I crash. What it's going to do is just a serious dip. Okay, everything's not going to go to zero where it's like worth nothing. No. That's not going to happen. But it's going to go down substantial low, like when the V hit, when the virus hit, it's going to go lower than that, a little bit lower than that. I predict. Okay, but you have to know that that's just a prediction. Okay, totally prediction. But so yeah, and it was only going to be temporary, guys. That's why it's called a fire sale, right? So anyways, that's when I'm ripping in there and buying all my dividend stocks and crypto up cheap, right? Before everybody knows what the hell's going on. That's what everybody did when the V hit. All the millionaires went in there and bought all this shit up. And the smart people went in there and bought AMC when it was a couple bucks. GME when it was a couple bucks. You guys know all this history, right? And then that's when the market corrected. Now it's like a reset button. Right? And then you got multi-millionaires overnight. That's what happens. If you're paying attention to this shit, you can catch these plays. And we already got it. This channel's already got those plays. We got like 10 plays on the table. No, more than that. About 20 plays going on. Right? Oh! How to instantly transfer my broker money into my AMC crypto instantly. Okay, Jamal has a question here. Hey Cameron, I'm trying to figure out how to instantly transfer my brokerage money I make from AMC into crypto instantly. Any thoughts? Oh, exactly what we're talking about right now. We're gonna all have to wait until it's cleared, right? I'm gonna have to wait too, but it doesn't take that long. I think. Well, the banks are fast. It's the same as when you sell a stock, right? What I'm gonna do is when it goes into my trading account. It's fair games. You start buying shit right now. Except crypto, I cannot buy. It's going to take a couple days to get crypto going because the banks up in Canada don't deal with crypto. 99% of them don't. Okay, so what I'm going to have to do is transfer some money around. It might take a couple days. I think it takes 2 or 3 days. I'm okay with that though, right? I'm okay with that because I'm after the dividend stocks mostly. Those are the gold, right? because this shit doesn't happen with dividend stocks. Not like AMC. So, yeah, they're taking us down lower levels here, guys. I know what they're doing. It definitely was for some call options or something. It was definitely for some puts, maybe. Something's going on here. They were up to something, right? I wanted to talk to you guys about something. It was important. Oh, I know what it was. Who feels like doing some homework for the Wolves? Any guys on here? Not a problem, Jamal. I need a couple of you, just because I would like two. Anybody feel like doing some homework for the Wolf Pack for like 2,800 and some odd people? Okay, I'm gonna do the homework up in Canada. Here's what I need. I need 10 dividend stocks that pay a dividend yield that are solid companies. We're talking phone ADT with ticker symbols included. We need the ticker symbols, and when we're going to do some homework over the next couple days, I need some solid people to do some shit. And I'll put your name up I'll broadcast your name, and that's all I can do is help you out like that. On the channel, that you did some work for the channel. I'll make a recognition that you're recognized by all the people on the channel, that you were the person doing this work for them. If you want to be behind the scenes, I'm okay with that. So what I need is I need 10 dividend stocks, okay? 10 solid ones. We're going to split it all up between the oil patch, blue chip stocks, okay? And then some banks, okay? I want anything above 4% dividend returns, okay? So even if you can get 15 companies is fine, 10 for sure, okay? So that's what I want to do. And I will do the homework up in Canada, okay? I already got somebody else going to help me up here. One of the ladies is going to help me do it. So, yeah. So that's what you guys, all you awesome Americans out there, you know that it's 30% cheaper for you, roughly 25 to 30% cheaper to buy stocks in Canada. You guys know that, right? Just so inside info. Your money's worth more. Okay, so I wanted to do that. I don't do anything sorry for UK guys on here. We're not doing anything in the UK, but you can also buy stocks over here too, right? It's just, I don't know the market there, and it's just too much. It's too much. I'm focused on this play. So that's going to be that's our plays, right? So see how I work? I'm already on these plays. We're not investing. Let's be crystal clear on that. This is for the fire sale. Okay, there's nothing to do with buying now. These plays are not going to be mentioned live until when the squeeze is happening. I'm going to throw the information out there so whoever's selling can start hammering away on these sales. Okay? Okay, you got to I know. Can you take a look at that? I'll look at some, but I'm not going to go through a bunch of dividend stocks right now, guys. This is for afterwards. You guys know my email, and I just need to find out who wants to do that for me. I'll look at this up though. VTSAX. That's too many symbols though. Oh no. Okay, it's coming up. Vanguard. No, you got too many symbols there, my friend. Vatax. Vanguard? No. My son recommended buying gold and silver. I will get the dividends for you. Oh, sweetness? Okay, you're Canadian though. Okay. You want to work with me on the Canadian? You got to find that ticker symbol won't work. It's VAT, maybe a S. What is it? What is it, my friend? I can't buy. Yeah, I'm not telling. Sorry, brother. Did you hear what I just said? This is not going to happen until after AMC is done. Okay? These are plays afterwards. This is nothing to do with before. I like to be prepared because it's a fire sale. I'm going to make millions of dollars, okay? I'm doing it live. If you guys want in, show you how to do it. I'll do it. I've done it before. Okay, I've made hundreds of thousands of dollars in minutes, and then within 3 months, and flipped it again, and it just keeps on going because it's dividend royalties, right? I'm gonna do it live for you guys. I'm gonna show you guys how to do it. If you want to follow, you can do it. You guys are gonna have some money. No, I do. That's why I'm not giving the list out until we're in the squeeze, guys. It's an index fund, okay? Okay, index fund. I'm not getting anything off this scanner on that. Sorry. So I'm gonna blow this back up for you guys. So you got some AMC here. But yeah, it's nothing to do beforehand. So you gotta listen when I talk to you guys about that stuff. So yeah, what we'll do is I need some. I see it on Yahoo. I don't have Yahoo Finance, okay? Starwood Properties, you got one right there, 7.53. Okay. Dub, do you want to be with the person that does it? Not a problem, okay? Not a problem. Dub, do you want to volunteer? I've seen you come up before and throw some info out there. You seem to know a little bit about stocks, and ADT is another one that pays 7 something. Here comes the crash for today. Yeah, something's going on here. Well, if it gets any lower, it looks like I'm buying some stocks, guys. If it gets into, I don't even want to talk about that right now. But anyways, about how low it's going to go. I don't want to jinx it. So it's up to you, Dub, if you want to do that. If you want to do that. After the squeeze, don't you want to wait weeks to invest in other stocks? No, the price will start going back up. No, I want to catch it in a crash when it's at rock bottom. If you wait a couple weeks, the stocks will start recovering. To buy good dips. No, you buy in the crash. If you wait, it's going to start recovering, guys. Nice question, though. That is an awesome question, though. Thank you for asking that question. No, the 2008 was a good one. Not for everybody else. I'm not talking good. It was good for investors to make money. Okay? It killed a lot of people financially. Bad. I don't even want to go there. But I'm just talking that the people that actually had money, very few did. It made millionaires overnight. Okay? It took a while to recover, but it's okay. You want to get that rock bottom price, right? Those dividends aren't going to drop in a market crash. That dividend royalty is going to stay the same. The price will just drop on the stock, okay? They might do an adjustment on the quarter, but it won't be that much, okay? I can guarantee, but it'll all recover. It'll all recover. The market always recovers. It might take a while, but it will recover. Is that a ticker symbol to bring up? AJ? Okay. I'm going to rate that Starwood Properties down, guys, but you got to rate a list, because if you're feeding me all these ticker stuff, that doesn't mean anything to me. I need somebody to get a list of stuff. Okay? Yes, March wasn't already fire sale. Yes, headstock. Yes, that's what I'm talking about. Yes, you nailed it. You nailed it. That's what I'm talking about. When COVID hit and it collapsed the market, that is when you want to dive in there. A lot of people did it. Don't you hear about the stories about how all these people are rich and millionaires? How do you think Roaring Kitty did it? How do you think he did that? He bought it all when it was rock bottom cheap. And look at him now. Okay, sorry, I got sidetracked here. AGNC. Ooh, that's a good dividend yield. Okay, so we're gonna, and I'm gonna do some. I'm not gonna just dive in and start buying this shit. I need to know this ahead of time because I'm doing some research for you guys on this. What I do is I pull the 52-week average and then pull the 2-year average, and then I do some cracking numbers and shit, and I'll figure out which ones are the good ones. Okay. And that's my personal information. I don't share that. Okay, I'll just give you the end product, but when I do my calculations, that's my private information. Okay, so I don't share that with anybody. My wife doesn't even know how to do it. Okay, it's just my little forte, and I don't share my personal information like that. But I'll give you the end product, and you guys can do whatever you want with it. I give gists on how to do it. Oh, shit. I want to go back to that. Sorry, man. I clicked that the wrong way here. Where was that? How do you get back to that? Ah, fuck. Okay, we'll try it again here. Ticker symbol AGNC, and I'm going to write that one down there, my friend. Ah, I fucked up again. Okay, just give me a second. I'm just gonna get a pen here because I'm gonna write. That's one of the ones. I'm just gonna get somebody to. Yes, Manjit. Yeah. I'm gonna give you the list when we're in the middle of the squeeze. I'll be posting the list up in my links. Okay, you'll be getting a list. Don't worry about it. Sorry about that, guys. I need to put some oil on that thing. Okay, just give me a second here, brothers and sisters. Okay. There's something tapping. I hate tapping sounds in my office. Drive me insane. Okay, there we go. Investments. Yeah, you can watch me in action when I'm yeah, you guys are gonna trip right out on this one. Okay, what do they pay a dividend yield of 8? That's a good dividend yield. So I want to do some DD because a lot of companies will crank that dividend up to like 10-15%. As they're in bankruptcy, they're going to get a last little squeeze out of the market before they fold. So you got to do news. You got to check the news on them. You got to check to see if they've been in lawsuits. Are they in any lawsuits? You want to stay away from medical companies, okay? That's one thing you want to stay away from is medical companies. They're always getting sued, okay? Loss. What's up, brother? Bo Cash, 100%. Bo Cash, 100% times. Okay, Stone. What's a good amount to put into each of those stocks? Well, that depends on how much money I get off of AMC, but I'm thinking 50 to 100,000 a piece. That's what I'm doing, because or else somebody paid taxes on it. It's different in different countries and stuff, but yeah, it's just I'd rather be getting money off. Yeah, it's almost 9%, Dominique. I know, that's a good one. So who found that for me? You guys, nobody's volunteering here. Oh, I got 2 dislikes now. They're just hedgies, guys. That's all that is. It's all good. How dare they? Well, then you guys smash them back with the likes up. That doesn't really bother me. It kind of... It sucks because I'm getting free information. But what it is it's people that are jealous of you guys being on the channel. They're jealous because they probably have no money or they're just uneducated, right? That's the only way it can be, because I don't understand, man. I'm the coolest person out there that... I'm joking, as I know. I'm just joking. No, but I'm willing to give you guys information, man. I know that because I watch other YouTube channels. They'll show you the end product. They will not show you any of the other ways in there. You know what I mean? So... Thanks, brothers. Oh, fuck. Pardon my language. Thanks, guys. Awesome, man. Every time you see my videos and you do that, man, it makes me smile. Right? It makes me smile, guys. I love you guys. John Deere. Do you guys have... do you have the ticker symbol for that, my friend? But I want to... who wants to volunteer? Nobody's answered me. I know it's a little bit of work. It's only 10 stocks. Just go through and do about 30 stocks and try to find 10 good ones. I'm not American, or else I'd do it all. I'm going to do the Canadian end here. Okay, guys? I need somebody that will help me. Sweetness. They don't like people hanging people, helping people. No, they don't. Sweetness. No, they don't. Oh, what's up? Hey, brother. How are you doing? Welcome to the channel. I've never seen you here before. Thank you. That's M-I-N-H. I don't know how to pronounce your first name, and I don't want to disrespect you, so I'll call you H-O. Okay? No disrespect. Can you show us how to hunt for good dividend stock plays? Yes, I can. I can. Cat. Cat buy $4 dividend. What are the ticker symbols, my friend? And what I'll do is I'll show you how. Okay? So, we're going to use this one, for example. It's right in front of us right now. So what you want to do is the dividend. How it says dividend on the bottom, that means nothing. Okay? The dividend yield, brothers and sisters, that's what you want to look for right there. Is 8.89%. Okay? That's what you want to look for. Okay? This stock is actually almost sold out. Free float shares out. Wow. Crazy. It's a popular stock. So so that's one right there. Oh, guys, I'm looking at the guys that want, and there's a lot of people that want to jump out of Clove right now. It's up 8.7. It's up $8.07. It went up 4.13 today. I know there's a lot of people that are down on that are waiting to jump out. I'm just throwing it out there, guys. I'm not telling anybody what to do. I'm just telling you because I noticed the price was up. Oh, it's CAT? Okay. I'll look on it right now. CAT. Caterpillar. Okay, yeah, that's right. Dividend stock. It's 2.12. That's pretty low, guys. Good stock. Wow, is it expensive? It's a good stock. And they have, I'm an operator by trade anyways, but yeah, it's really expensive to buy. We want to kind of find something cheaper, like $20, $30 range, that has a dividend at least above 5%. What's up, bro? How you think we doing today? Josh, AMC, just give me a second here. On AMC, is that? Obviously, that's what you're talking about, right? Oops, shit. Where's the credentials here? 5 point... Man, that's pretty... I'm not going to complain. 5% is good for this stock for the day, and you all know that. If we can hold these numbers, that's a nice little chunk for the day. There's nothing wrong with that. Nothing wrong with that. AV, okay, Hector has one here. Did we just cover that one? Oh, no, we didn't. We didn't. ABBVIE. Those are pretty long ticker symbols. It worked. Yep, that's a good one. But I'm not saying it's good. I got to look into it further, guys. I'm just looking at the dividend yield. This one's worth noting. Okay? So I'll put that down. That's one of the ones that I'm going to buy for sure, Mangji. You nailed it. That one is a good one. I've already done research on that one. That one's a buy all day long. And that's a 5G network stock. Monty, I'll look at one right now. Kay, I'll look at this. Give me a second, guys. Okay, and then I'll research all this stuff on my spare time. Okay? It'll take me a while to do this. Okay. Just give me a second, guys. Slow down on the chat bar. Just hang on, bros, girls, guys. Okay, what was that one? A, B, B. Just because the number's high on the dividend yield doesn't mean it's a slam dunk. But if anything above 4% is what we want. Okay? And this would be AVB. It's AB. Why? And I got to find out what they do, too. And what I'll do is crunch my numbers for you guys. And I'll get back to you with a full list on this. What I'll do is post it right on my front of my wall. On my... Yeah, not a problem. You're from the UK. Yeah, not a problem. I won't cover UK stuff, but yes, you can. Yeah. Oh, you want to do it? You'll send me 10? Oh, thank you. That saves me a whole bunch of work, and then I can talk about other stuff this morning. That'd be frigging awesome. Okay, so it's paying 4.33%. Because you have to remember, guys, in a fire sale, all this stuff's going to be cheap. See, the price, $120, is pretty expensive. Like, yeah, it doesn't really matter on the price but it's per stock you get that dividend yield. You know what I'm saying? So if you can buy more, I would like to buy $1,000 or a couple $1,000s worth of each stock. So this one's a questionable. Okay. So I'm going to hold off on that. I'm going to check one more right here. That's BGS. I'm going to check two more out, guys. ADT is one right there. That one's a good one. I'm going to put that down. AT&T 7 point. That's definitely on the list. That's a buy right there. I already know that one. Okay, guys, and then we got I'm gonna let I can't pronounce Shanjimar. I'm gonna call you 08. I don't want to disrespectful with your name, my friend. Okay, so BGS. I'll check into that. 6.33%. You guys are good at this. You guys are frigging awesome at this. Manjeet, 7 points. Holy moly. Yeah, man, there's some that's the highest you've seen. Oh, man, there's Shamron. There's some up at 15%. But you got to watch yourself on those. Okay, guys, I'm going to leave it alone. I'm going to leave that alone, okay? We already got somebody going to get into this. I'm going to put my email down. Yeah, it's only 1.02. We want to stay away from that. Why did someone else mention it? Yeah, they did, Dominique. Yeah. It's all good. It's all good. It's all good. Or yeah, they're going to screw with this price, guys. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back to AMC here. Okay. Manji got another one here. Okay, I'll check all this out. And even if we get more, we want to get like 20 of them. So if 08 gets 5. Josh Ham, yeah. I'm definitely buying in on that. I'm going to wait until it's in the $1.10 mark, though. $1. I've already talked to a very educated person on that. If you can get it at $1, $1.10, it's a deadly buy on that stock. This person's made hundreds of thousands of dollars on it, flipping it over the last little bit. Okay, what were you? BGS, I got that one. MAIN. So, Manjeet, you're a pro at finding this stuff now. Really good. Smart person. Okay, guys, I'm done writing. My hands are getting sore. So I'm going to put my email address up, and anybody can contact me anytime they want on this. But this is for the people that are sending me a list. Okay? Okay? There's my email. I'm going to pin it to the top, too, for you guys. Okay? There you go. It goes to the top. So there's my email. You can send me all the info you want on that. I'm just going to pull up this here, AMC, put it on a better screener here. Yeah, look, we're getting that wave action happening again, which is fine. And we're getting baby waves. They found their low. They've found their low now, guys. If this goes for another half an hour, 15, 20 minutes like this, and it just stays in this realm of this channel, they've found their low for the day. So we could be locked in at around these numbers. JP, what's up? Got my cash app simulated? Okay, good. Had to log on back in. Okay, not a problem, JP. It's all good. It's all good, brother. How many subs did you get, if you don't mind asking, the other day out of that little stream there? I'm just curious. This is for JP. Voyager, okay. I'm on AT to crypto. Yeah, I'm getting Felix. That's pretty good. That's not bad. That's not bad. So, and I will be doing some cryptos. We will have a total of we're gonna narrow it down to 3 coins for crypto. Okay, guys, because there's hundreds of coins in every different country has a whole bunch, and you can even buy the Ape Father crypto. Sorry, but you guys watched that video? Like 10, 15? Are you kidding me, JP? Yeah. You're repaying that favor, I hope. I'm just bugging you, but I know you got the connections. Do you think it will hit $40 today? I don't think they'll let it get up that high, my friend, because that would puts their interest up higher. Yeah, I can't see that for a Monday. I can't. But tomorrow and the next day, things are gonna get frigging crazy, I think. And what do you think of Safe Moon as a crypto? I never heard of it. But what we're gonna do is I'll look into all that stuff. We do have a crypto girl. She's out of the States. She's on the East Coast. She's very educated. I'm going to be going on a live stream with her on Zoom, hopefully in the next little bit. I haven't seen her come around. I wrote her an email. She hasn't gone back to me. I want her to educate me a little bit on it. I want something that's connected to blockchain, okay, technology, and that is backed by financial backing of the blockchain network. Okay, I'm not into anything else that is. I'm not into replica coins, shit coins, none of that stuff. We're not doing any of that stuff. So it has to have credentials. It has to have backing, and it has to have like 3 or 4 different things attached to it. This young gentleman gave me some insight on what to look for. Okay, and a lot of them don't. And some of the ones that are very popular around right now, and I'm not going to mention the names because people get mad at me when I mention that stuff, and I'm not going. I just won't do it. I just won't do it. Right? It just hurts a lot of people that are invested in these things, and I'm not that person. Okay, I'll keep that stuff to myself. But the coins that come up will be the coins. We're getting a push here, guys. We're getting a good push here, guys, ladies and gentlemen. Yeah, Manji, you got a good list there. This other coins like Ethereum, okay, that I'm talking about, I'll put them out there, and there'll only be a couple because I only support what the power behind it is, because I will not invest into something that will sit there for like 20 years and do nothing, okay? Cardano is definitely one of the that's on the list. So I'm going to get 2 more coins, and that's it. Okay? Thank you, Dominique. Okay, so that's I'll do some homework on this. I will have this list done within a week. And it will be posted up on, on my channel where it says posts. You know what I mean? On the front page, how you can go into posts. It'll be on there. Okay. And I'll do a video on it too for you guys. What's up, Stan? How you doing, brother? How you doing, man? Welcome to the channel. You're going to want to play this whole thing back and sit down and watch it tonight with your wife. Okay, bro? Matic and Dad. Okay. Okay, I'll rate these things down. I'm going to do a separate list. This is for Bitcoin. Okay. I mean, not Bitcoin. Crypto. Sorry, crypto. Oh, Josh Bain's birthday. It's one of my buddy's birthday. Yeah. TF, how you doing? Welcome to the channel, my friend. I've never seen you here before. Welcome to the Wolf Pack. Cardano, yeah. That's our top crypto right now. That's definitely the one of the top ones. Yeah, thanks, Dan. There's just so much stuff you should do, and you should watch it today, my friend, and you should really do what we're talking about with calling your broker and stuff and downloading that screen recorder. I'm not going to get into it too much right now. ADA is Cardano. Okay, that's the ticker symbol for it. Okay, thank you. Did I download? I couldn't get it on I couldn't get it on YouTube. but I'm gonna have to do it through my Android box. And yes, I mentioned it to my wife, and we're gonna watch it. It's on a list on the table out there because we always write our movies down because we're both so busy, right? She's a very busy person too, so we only get a couple hours a night to hang out. We don't hang out that much because I'm always in here doing work for you guys. Oh, good for you, Stan. Okay, AD that's the ticker symbol for that. Okay, that's good to know. Yeah, it is. It says right there. But that's good to know because I keep on forgetting that for some reason. Okay, and Ethereum, we're going to stay away from the main coins, okay, because they're really expensive right now. Like, I know Bitcoin's, it's well known all the world, but that's not a play. It's already been played, right? We're looking for something that is cheap, that we can jump. I'm not saying there's nothing wrong with Bitcoin. Bitcoin's friggin' awesome. It's the leader of all of them. But I'm saying that it's already had its run. Okay, we're looking for something that is that is smaller. That in the next couple years to later, it's gonna be like Bitcoin was back when I was a kid when it first came out. Right, it was only five. What was it? A couple bucks or something like that, or like 10 cents a quarter block or something like that. It was cheap. Okay, good, Stan. Did you record it all though? No, Jen. I'm Chief. Girl, how you doing? How you doing, Jen? I wrote that. I got your email address, and I need you to email me. You have mine. It's at the top of the page. The email address that you gave me last time, I friggin' messed it up or something. It says address not valid. So I sent you an email yesterday. I wanted to do a Zoom with you or something, or and I want to give you my phone number, just because I want to talk to you about some stuff there, girl. So if you have the time today, I wouldn't mind doing that. Okay, Stan, you might want to download that screen recorder and record that whole conversation. I know you talked to the broker, everything's sound, but do you have any proof of that? No, you don't. Okay, so you want to download, and Jen, you'll probably want to play this back from the beginning. I gave it to you 2 times. I know, Jen. I know. I have it on a piece of paper, but it didn't go through. Like, I did write it down, but I'm retarded. You have to remember that. Thank you, Jen. Jenny, sorry. I'm retarded. You know that, right? CC, what do I think of Dogecoin? It's a good coin. It's a good coin. It's not a play, though. It's not going to be part of our play, right? It only runs up in increments. I'm not trying to put it down or anything. It's a nice coin, right? But it just hasn't. It's gone up to a mark and then it goes back down. Goes to a mark, goes back down. It has never pushed, right? There's nothing wrong with it, and it's good for a long play, right? But we're doing something a little different. It doesn't fit the criteria. Bitcoin doesn't fit the criteria. Ethereum doesn't, which I already have some, doesn't fit the criteria. Doge doesn't fit the criteria. There's certain things I'm looking for. So, you know what I mean? And, yeah, so after I do all my mathematical equations and stuff on these stuff, and on these, and checking the history, checking the months, setting trend lines and seeing the touch points, how many touch points these stocks have hit, that's when I do my math, okay? And I can tell what the average of it, how many times that thing's peaked through the year, how many times we can make our money, how volatile that stock is, what are the lows, the resistance point, the channeling it to see when it hit, doing a W pretty much, what the lows were, the statistic lows, what the statistics highs are, what the volume is at what time of the year. There's a whole bunch of stuff I do on stocks, okay, when I'm doing a play. Okay, so Pope, what's up? How do you suggest confirming Cash App? How do you suggest confirming with Cash App? I don't know. I don't have it, but good question, and welcome to the channel. You need to call them, but you need to download your screen recorder first before you call them. And if they won't, like Robinhood doesn't want to talk to you, or it's hard to get through them. Yeah, Shima is it has good backing. You're right, but it won't be part of the play, guys. I'm looking for certain stuff. I'll show you all of this when I release all this information with all these stocks. I'll go through them, why I picked them, okay? It's because, I don't discuss what I do when I look in stocks, okay? It's my private information. I'll give you the finished product. Just put it that way, okay? I have my ways and my calculations I don't share with anybody. Like I said, my wife doesn't even know what I do, okay? So, nothing to be rude about. I'll give you the end product and tell you what it is, right? But I won't tell you how I got to that, how I got to it. Okay, so, yeah. I will do it, actually, Sheba, I'm actually going to, it's not part of the play, but I'm going to check something out on it because about the financial backing and stuff, but it's been out for a little while. It's already had its chance to do some stuff. I will definitely check it out. I don't know anything about it. Dang, what's up, brother? Yes, you did it. My wife's ADPA. You got it. You did it, bro. Another success story. Yes, there you go. Don't you feel better? Don't you feel better? You were one of the ones that were stressing out, my friend. I can feel the stress. I can feel the stress when you were on Lou's channel yesterday. I can feel the stress from there. I see you. That's why I messaged you on Lou's channel the other day. I was over there checking to see if he was telling all of his subs the correct information. Okay, he missed a couple things that that's why I was trying to get a hold of him to tell him that, hey man, you might want to shoot another video and remind people about this screen recorder stuff, because he's not a computer guy at all. Neither am I, but I know about this stuff. Okay, to why don't you tell your subs to get the screen recorder and record the whole conversation, because a snapshot doesn't really do anything, right? There's no emotions, feelings attached to it. There's no proof that you're trying to sell. There's no proof of anything on there, really, except, yeah, I own those shares, right? I'm not putting him down. I love the guy, man. But it's just that you can't get a hold of Weeble either, Chris. That's the problem with not being with a bank, right? Write them an email. That's the only thing you can do, my friend. And snapshot, like Lou said, snapshot. That's the only other thing you can do. Snapshot your shares in multiple different ways, if you can, like different parts of the app. And if it shows the execution times, all that stuff, if you can go into history, that's all you can do. I still have my hair. Right on. Yeah, she was confused. Hori, see, I told you, my friend. See, I told you. A lot of people get confused, even the people that work for the companies. See, guys, trust me. I know what I'm doing. Guys. Okay? This isn't my first rodeo. How would I know all this information and nobody else is talking about it? How would I know all this shit? Right? What's a good broker? I'm new. CS. Not a problem. Where do you live, my friend? Is the first question. That's what we got to find out. Not your address. Where you live. What country? What state? All that kind of stuff. What country even? I don't need to know the state. Are you, Jenny? You're in a heat wave? We had ours. I think it went over to you. I gotta go reload, guys. Could it? I'm gonna write that down. AD. Oh yeah, I already have that. Cardano. Oh, that's one of the ones. That's definitely one of the ones on the list. I gotta go reload my coffee. I'm gonna bring a coffee machine in here next time, guys. Okay. I just initialed my transfer from Weeble to Vinley. There you go. Fidelity, I mean. Yeah, there you go. Fucking you guys are smart. Good. Imagine if you wouldn't have found this knowledge out. Imagine if you wouldn't have found, I'm not saying my channel because that's kind of a little bit derogatory. That's kind of a little bit, would you say that? Yeah. Anyways, I'm not talking about that, but aren't you glad that there's people that know about this stuff that can actually educate you, right? Oh, thanks. The coffee smells good, eh? Tim Hortons coffee. I don't know. I don't know if is that in the States, Tim Hortons at all. I don't think it is. It's I don't mind Starbucks, but it's kind of burnt tasting. I don't mind. There's certain types of Starbucks I do like, but I'm just saying. How long will it take for your shares to transfer? Oh, Ken's asking a question, guys. But yeah, aren't you glad we came across this knowledge here for you guys to help you out? I'm always working, man, full time. I do 8-hour shifts, sometimes 12 hours in here a day, guys, every day. All right. Okay, we'll put that list away, guys, and oh, Allison, baby girl, what's up? Chris, how you doing? It's gonna risk the transfer. I'm gonna risk the transfer, Chris. I would if I was you too. I would. If it was me, I got dog hair. Every time I go out there and pet my dogs, I get dog hair. Allison, I want to talk to you in a second here. Okay. Oh, you're not gonna risk it. You're not gonna risk. Yeah, that's okay. Right, Chris. I don't want to risk it. Okay. That's okay. I thought I was reading somebody else's comment and then I looked at yours. Somebody else is gonna risk it. That's up to you. That's personally what I would do, but I would make sure that it only is in a certain amount of time frame. Okay. And I don't know who you're with, right? That's up to you guys. That's up to you guys, right? And nobody knows I got X recorder. Good. What are we at right now? We're back up to, we're at 6.16. We're in the green still, and we're at 6.19%. Not a problem, guys. Not a problem. I don't mind helping you guys. It's all good. I don't have all the answers, though. That's why sometimes and if I don't know, I'll tell you, right? It's not that I don't want to tell you. It's just that I don't know sometimes, right? So we got all that. Now I got a lot of work to do for you guys now. It's all good. I don't mind doing it. So I'll work on that slowly. I'll do a couple stocks a day when I'm sitting here. Yeah, if we can hold this for the day, it wouldn't be a bad day, guys, to be honest with you. Anything in green on AMC is good, but this is an all right number, right? It's not bad. Oh, Allison, sorry, I got sidetracked. I know you missed my streams. I sent you a message. I don't know if you got the email. I need to talk to you about some crypto. There's our crypto girl, guys. There's our crypto girl. You guys finally got to meet her. So yeah, I need to do a meeting with you and discuss some things. I got some stuff here, and yeah, if you know what I'm talking about. So anyways, how's everything going with your projects and stuff? Is everything working out for you? This woman's a workaholic, and she does renos, right? You do fixing up houses and stuff, right, Allison? That's correct. So yeah, notice I got tentacles everywhere to everybody and all that stuff. We're one big family. That's why some person will be educated in this, some person will be educated in that. on and on and on. And when we bring it all together, which I'm good at, it turns into a good finished product, right? So that's what's happening. I'm afraid to switch brokers, right? Chase Bank told me it could take up to 30 days. Oh shit, I'd be out on that one. Oh, Pope, I would not go. I'd stay the frig away from it. So I would stay away from that. 30 days, holy crap. I also risked the transfer and sent all stocks from Webull to Charlie's. You did? Okay. There you guys go. There you guys go. So, that's up to you guys. It's just that if things go sideways, you can, on me, and you didn't do your transfer, you can't. Don't be mad at me. I'm just giving the information out there. But you could risk if it squeezes in this week, right? But I've been saying this for months. I've been talking about this for months, right? So I've been putting this out there. I put this out there 2 months ago about this thing, about all this. But I know some people are new to the channel, right? So it is what it is. Just at least you guys own the shares. That's all that matters. And make sure you call. If you guys are worried about where they are, call and get those verifications. And if you only can get emails, then it is what it is, right? That's all I'm saying. I'm just trying to help you guys out. It's all good. It's all good. It's all good. I did my verification call this morning live for you guys, just to show you guys how to do it. And what questions to ask. And if you need that, just play the video, just play the podcast back. That's why the beautiful thing about YouTube is you can play the videos back, right? Here we go again. I know. Yeah. We had a bit of a retracement, but we got it. Those are buy signals. That's a buy signal right there, man. Correction. This is a push symbol right here. I like that right here. That's a good sign right there. Those two candlesticks side by side like that. And this is called right here, a positive followed by a positive would be, this would be three crows. It's called, okay? It's called three crows. When you have a green and a green on each side, three crows. The opposite of that is three soldiers. Just so you guys know that. I've said that before, but you hardly ever see that, and that's a perfect example. That means there's going to be a run, okay? And that's what we're getting, a run. Possibly could be a run. AMC, you can't predict. I told you that before. I've noticed that all the indicators are pretty much off the table, right? Because it does weird shit. Oh, we need to get you more subs. There is so much insights from you. Oh, thanks, brother. That's up to you guys, man. You guys got Facebook and connections. All I can do is post. I'm at my limit, man. Who takes 30 days to transfer? I don't know. Somebody in the messages, Manjeet. Just hang on. I don't know. Pope, Manjeet is asking you a question. But yeah, that's up to you guys with the sub thing, man. I only can do so much, right? That's up to you guys. You guys got social media platforms. You know how to copy and share my stuff. That's up to you guys. I'm not gonna. How long am I streaming today for, my friend? Probably another 15 minutes. My friend. Why? What's up? Do you need me to stay on longer? Proud? For some reason? I've been streaming longer all the time. Yeah, another 10 minutes, 15 minutes, and then it'll be 3 hours, man. That's a pretty good day for me. Man. Right? Just checking something out here. Weird. Okie dokie. Okie dokie dokie. Munching on crayons. Ape munching on crayons. 190 days in the trenches with the apes. Continue to buy and hold. It's been 190 days for munching on crayons. He's been holding. I'm gonna give him a heart there. Give him a heart. Lock dog. Sorry, I just got some things I'm going through here, guys. Trying to find you guys some some news up front here. Okay. You'll probably get an email. Okay. Okay, thanks, Allison. No, hey, not a problem. Just popped in and say hi. Not a problem, Allison. You have a great day at work and take her easy. Peace, girl. Thank you. Now we'll cross paths. Whenever you have time, we'll do a Zoom meeting. We'll do this crypto thing. We'll get all the shit in order before this fire sale. These guys want the info, which we'll have it already. Yeah, I wouldn't mind learning off of you some more information. Thank you very much. Chris, there was a ladder attack earlier today, my friend. We got attacked a couple times. Hi, Cam. Not a problem. Not a problem. Hi, how you doing? We did a couple small ladder attacks right here. We had a ladder. Oh, where is it? Sorry. Right here was a ladder attack. Nothing serious. Do you know why? They're trying to let this run in the money. So they probably have options, these hedgies, or something's going on. Options or puts. They probably put a certain amount in and or an option. And what's happening is they're trying to get in the money. Okay? I noticed about the same range right here. If you draw a line across, it's pretty much the same range. I think they're going to let it go to $37 again. Or $36.75 seems to be the highest they're letting it get to. And then they crack it back down. See, yeah. 1, 2, 3 touch points. Right? And the maximum they're letting it go to is $37.13. Oh, no, that was a touch point. So it's actually $36 today. You're from overseas? Ed mentioned it's smaller. Yeah. Only Mondays and Fridays, my friend. Oh, that's cool. That's cool. So whereabouts are you from overseas, if you don't mind me asking? Just because we're all curious now that you mentioned that. Right on. Yeah, and Fridays, that's like, last Friday was a green day. That was like 2 Fridays in a row, and it's Belgium. Oh, wow. You're the first person from Belgium. Wow. Thank you for joining the Wolfpack. That's friggin' cool. That is so cool. I would love to go there. There's some good history there. It's beautiful there. Wow, there's beautiful people there. How the heck did you find this channel in Belgium? No, I was agreeing with you. More important days are Monday and Friday. That's what I was saying. That there was 2 green days the last 2 Fridays. Chase Bank. So Pope is answering that question for Manjeet, I think. You're going to move to the U.S.? Sweet. I'm from Canada, actually. But beautiful. The U.S. has beautiful spots down there. How'd you find the channel? Way over there. Holy crap. Like, that's thousands and thousands of miles away. Was it just off of YouTube? Or is it through a friend? After the squeeze, yeah. And I have another question for you. Sorry, guys, I'm just very intrigued. How how do you find out about the squeeze that's in America and Canada? Do you just buy YouTube? Okay, cool. That's cool. Do you just buy through your bank there, or do you have to? Is it like, does everybody know about it? Sorry, guys, I'm asking all these questions. I'm drilling. This person here actually followed Lou. Oh, okay. Actually following Lou. Oh, okay. That's cool. That's cool. Oh, you're a banker. Oh, that makes sense. Working financial. So you're smart. That's what you knew. You knew this is a good play. That's why you jumped on. Smart. You're paying attention to the vibes on the other side of the world. That's very intriguing. Yeah. I know a lot of people know about Europe. See, guys, there you go. All around the world. We kind of knew that, but not to this degree. A lot of people know about AMC. That's good to know, guys. That's good to know. That's good to know for sure. Easy money play. We call me now. Proud. He doesn't know. They don't know what that means. Communism. Because of the new government. Is that right? I don't know that much about. I'll let you guys talk about that because I don't know politics. I don't know anything about the state's government, except I don't even want to go there. I don't even want to go there. I learned to keep my mouth shut when it comes to that shit. I only speak about what do you mean. You're gonna have to enlighten, help this person out with your slang, my friend. So we got. I'm just gonna go through the. You guys can talk on the chat. You're scaring this poor person proud. That's a pretty serious word when you say communist. That scares a lot of people. So anyways, I'm going to go through the list, guys, for people at work and stuff and people that are listening on just audio. We're going to blast through our portfolio here, and then we're going to get into some more talk. I said I was going to jump off like 10 minutes ago. I'm going to stay on a little bit longer, I guess, for you guys. We are getting a bit of a push here. It seems like that $36, $37 range. It keeps on tapping on. That's that range again. I just want to check something out here, guys. Yeah, that's that friggin' range again. That's that line. Let's put a trend line in there. Actually, let's do this. Let's do this. Let's do this. Let's do this. Oh, what the hell am I doing here? It's that line right there. No, is it down there? Just hang on. No, it's not. I'm tripping out here. That line right there. Nah, I'm not going to put one. I'm not going to put one. But I will put one up here, though. There you go. I'm just going to put a trend line there, guys. I'm going to lock it. I'm actually going to move it down here so we can see it better. The fuck, that's the wrong one. What the hell is that? Pardon my language. Sorry, guys, for swearing. Nice crooked trend line. And they don't need to be exactly, guys. Just so you guys know, okay? We're going to lock that. I'm just going to lock that because I want to... It's a little bit off. It doesn't really matter. I just kind of want to keep that there because I kind of want a guideline. It means nothing, though, guys. It's just for my personal... I just want to see... I'm just going to see if that... Just so I don't have to keep on going back and looking all the time. So I'll blow this back up for you guys. So we're going to go through our ticker symbols here. I just wanted to I just want to get into some stuff. I'll let you guys chat on the bar. It's all good. Phil, how you doing, bro? Welcome to the channel. I love it when you swear. Okay. CCL, Carnival, $22.61. They're still holding this. 2.94 in the green today. Good for the cruise lines. The airlines, AAL, ticker symbol, $18.94. 2.38 in the green. Percent, that is. Costs, $18.39. 2.57 in the green. GME is ticker symbol GME is GameStop. So it's 163.47, 2.62 in the green. AMC is at 36.73, 6.74 in the green. SU, which is Suncor Energy out of Canada. If you guys don't know, they do pay a dividend royalty, and it's $23.21. The ticker symbol's at right now, and it's 3.39. And their dividend yield royalty is 3.63. Okay, so we're gonna skip loop. We're gonna go down to Air Canada. Ticker symbol AC is at $24.48. It's 3.07 in the green. We're gonna get into some marijuana stocks, some cannabis stocks. Ticker symbol CGC. Canopy Growth is at 1709, 2.42% in the green. Wow, these things that's pretty good for all these little stocks here. They're actually holding throughout the day, and we're at 9:30 Pacific Standard Time. So Microvision is at $13.78. It's 4.71 in the, well, it just changed, 4.86 in the green. BlackBerry is up too. 12.82 is 3.72 in the green. Now we're going to get in some crypto. Dogecoin is at 0.31. 0.63 negative, which is in the red. Cardano is 2.95, 5.08 positive, so it's in the red. Bitcoin is at $49,632. It's negative 1.30. Ethereum is 3,309. It is at negative 0.12. Okay, guys, there you go. That's your reading for the day. So let's get back on to AMC is at 7.50. Oh, 7.5. We're getting a push here. We almost tapped that line again, guys. We're back to $37. It's like they don't want it to get past $37 today. If we could just close at that, would be decent. Yeah, there's something weird going on with this, man. Every time it gets around the 37, it jams it back down. And that's happened how many times today? Twice. Twice today. Yeah, they don't want it to get past that. There's something there. There's a monumental point. There's something going on with that $37. It could be even lower, a little bit lower. Who knows, right? We don't know this stuff. Oh, good. You made 800. Good. Transfer. You must be sure all trades are complete. And you have to have approximately settled cash. Okay. That's good to know, Joe. I didn't know all that stuff because, yeah. Transfer from Webull to Finland took 9 business days last month. 9 business days? Holy shit. Those bastards do that for a fucking reason. And there's no reason for that. Shit, that's 2 weeks. That's 2 weeks. Holy crap. Guys, yeah, that would be concerning. I'd be worried about that. Oh my God. Good thing you did it. Good thing you did that back way when, man. Damn. I'm unlocking, Joe. You got blocked by YouTube, so I unlocked it. Your comment way back up there. The government is horrible, or mentally media is horrible, or yeah. Wow. What about Marvin Capital? Ah, you know about Marvin Capital all the way over there. That's Then could this trigger it? That's funny. They're talking like us, FUD. Amazon News is FUD. T-Dog, how you doing? Oh, you've already been there. Sorry that you're way up here. Damn, no. Amazon News is a year old supposedly, unless there's new stuff. Yeah, it is pretty old. It's about 6 months, 7 months old. It was near the beginning, January, February, about March, when they're talking about buying Amazon buying. Yeah, unless some new stuff came out, it could have. I haven't heard anything. Robinhood had rejected the order initially to transfer your shares. Are you freaking kidding me? Are you freaking kidding me? Those douchebags, man. Sorry, guys, that pisses me off. They're your freaking shares. Fucking assholes. Fuck. Sorry, I don't get upset that easy, but that pissed me off. Nobody knows, Manjit. When can we expect them to start covering that? We expected them to January and February. We thought they were going to cover. March, we thought they were going to cover. Who knows? Who knows on that one? Who knows? Who knows? Who knows? Hopefully soon. It would be nice. It would be nice. What would be nice is if they had to buy up all these synthetic shares to correct the problem on the market. That would put it into a squeeze right now. Instantly. For sure. For sure. What the hell? Oh my god. Oh my god. Guys, we just got monetized. We officially got monetized right now. YouTube just sent us a thing. Wolfpack is now monetized. Yes. We can do super chats now. I'm joking. I'm messing with you guys. There you go. There you go. The shirts will be out in no time. I'm just gonna. They're wanting pictures of our merch and everything now. I gotta do some reading now. Now the homework starts for me, guys. There we go. AdSense account's been approved. Right on, man. All this hard work I'm putting over. Was it 6,000 watch hours have gone into our channel to get this, guys. We did it. We did it. We did it. The Wolfpack. We did it, guys. We did it. Yes. I was waiting for approval. I was officially waiting for us to go through the rigmarole to go. They went through all my videos to see if they went through guidelines. It's really strict. Yeah, Andy, blaze one up for me, bro. It's party time right now. Oh my god, I cannot believe this. You know how hard I've worked? They went through every video with a fine tooth and comb to make sure I didn't have any copyright strikes. It is very hard, guys. We did it. Yes. I'm so happy for the Wolfpack. That changes everything now. Yes. Thank you, guys. I owe it to you guys. I'm just the broadcast. You guys did this for this channel. So, anyways, trap the short sellers, but next week red. The Wolfpack's unstoppable now. That's crazy. We're definitely unstoppable now, guys. We've got some serious wolves in the house now. Yeah, so I got to work on the shirts now, guys. They want us to contact the merch section for our logos and stuff. So yeah, within a while, I don't know how long it takes to print and for them to put it online, but yeah, I guess coffee cups and all that kind of stuff, it will be purchasable, and I'll try to get cheap deals on the stuff. I don't know how it all works. I'm all new to this. They just gave me a whole bunch of contact. Now I got to start doing a whole bunch of more work, but I'm gonna start working. Whoa, look at this. We're back at $37, guys. It will not pass that level. Jeez, it won't pass the level. Oh, here we go. Look at our trend line. Come on. Nice to close it at 10% today, guys. Wouldn't that be beautiful? Not a problem, Kay. Not a problem. Not a problem. Joe, not a problem. You guys got a lot of... Bart, how's it going? But what do you know about anything concerning Ape Nation and ANC movement? Not a problem. The Ape Nation? Concerning the Ape Nation? About the movement? I kind of stick to myself, man. I do my own thing. I don't get involved in any other stuff. I stay grounded in my channel. I just do my own DD as much as possible. I know creators do share stuff. And that's probably, I try to keep it real, man. That's pretty much it. My friend. I did check out Bart. I did check out Big Ads. How's it going? CD, how you doing? Welcome to the channel. Forgot your friend's name. Damn. Really good videos though. A lot of them. There's a lot of videos on the crypto thing there. And I got a meeting with somebody anyways on crypto. We're doing a live stream. One of our subs actually. It's a lady that's into it, and she was just on here a while ago. I got a meeting on Zoom with her. $37.07. Sweetness. That's good to know, Sweetness. That's good to know. I love how this day's going too. We're doing good. Wow, we got a lot of guys from the UK now. Right on. I'd love to go to the UK. Man. You guys got some cool history over there too. There's some cool shit happening, man. Some cool stuff. I know, look at this. It's not bad. We keep on wrapping around this $37 mark here, guys. But guys, I'm going to jump offline here. Here, guys, I've been on for 3 hours and 15 minutes exactly. I got to go get some food in my gut. And since I've been up so early this morning, and I got a lot of work to do here. I got to start working on your guys' shirts and stuff for the channel and some coffee cups, all the cool stuff. No, it's all good, sweetness. It's all good. Okay, guys, I'm over and out. I want you guys to keep it real. And, yeah, I love you guys, okay? And I'm going to leave you guys on a green note, okay, today? And what I'm going to do is I got to go start working for stuff for YouTube now. And Joker Dad, how you guys doing? Not a problem. You guys keep it real, and I'll be on tomorrow morning, okay? And if I'm going to put a video that I think today on about AZ recorder and all that stuff, okay? So if you see a video come out and you're like, oh, you already talked about it, it's for the other wolves on the channel, okay? And same as about the 24-hour broadcast, all that stuff. I know it's verbatim, but we got to get the news out there, okay? Love you guys. Peace.